Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today bacha, we are starting our next phase of this preparation journey of 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics, right? The journey starts with sample paper, okay? So we are gonna do bacha sample papers for all of you for science and mathematics on a platform. I hope you are learning from it, okay? I hope you are making the most of it, okay? Now, so this today is going to be discussed bacha sample paper number 1 for mathematics. I hope this is clear with that. Again, the question paper was given to you in the morning, okay? So every day question paper will be given to you bacha in the WhatsApp channel. Which was the WhatsApp answer? So challenge link will be given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check the link out, okay, and join that WhatsApp channel. Reason is that every session's PDF will be given in that channel only bacha, okay? So if you're learning something, have the notes as well with you, okay? Again, everything is available for free, so you should be making the most of it, right? So I hope you're ready for all of that. I hope you're ready for this particular session, okay? So I'm gonna give you solutions for this sample paper number 1 bacha. I hope you are going to be engaged with me to solve the questions if you missed something, okay? Otherwise, please take out some time from your schedule and solve these papers, okay? You will see the benefit of it once you start solving few papers in a week. Once you see that, now you'll see that you have increased speed in solving the paper, increased accuracy. You'll know what is your weakness and you can work on that as well, right? And again, any other feedback that you have, let me know in the comment section. We'll again try to reach out to you and give the solutions for that, okay? Again, I've seen some comments from your side, which is very motivating. I love that. Thank you for all of your positive comments, okay? So let's start bacha again with the session. So we have sir day 63 with us. So before I move on to the paper bacha, let's have a look to the paper pattern. What we have, this is standard as per your CBSE, okay? So first 20 questions will be 1 marker including the assess and reason. So MCQ we have, so 1 marker, total marks will be 20 over there. Check the second section bacha, will be section B, short answer type question, 2 marker. You'll have 10 marks there because 2 into 5 will be 10 marks, so 5 questions as such. Again, you have next 6 questions bacha, 3 markers, so 6 into 3 will be 18 marks there. Next 4 questions will be bacha 5 marker long answer type, you have 20 marks there. And next 4 questions bacha will be, sorry, 3 questions will be case study, total of 12 marks, adding this sum to be 80. Total marks is 80 sir. Category is A, B, C, D, E. A is MCQ, B is 2 marker, C is 3 marker, D is 5 marker, and E is 4 marker, the case studies, okay? Chaliye, so let's dive into the section number 1, which is going to be 1 marker category, MCQ and assess and reason. Chaliye, so we have bacha question number 1 like this. The graph of the quadratic polynomial px passes through the points -6, 0, 0, 30, like that, okay? We have 4 points given over here. Let's draw these points, okay, roughly. It's MCQ, right? We don't need to draw it exactly. -6, 0 will be bacha over here. Next is 0, -30, somewhere over here. 4, -20, somewhere over here. And the last one is 6, 0. The graph of quadratic polynomial, so it will be a parabola. We know this, right? The graph will go like this, okay? This is the parabolic curve. The points are over here, over here, over here, and over here. What are they asking? The zeros of the polynomial are these 2 points are the zeros. Wherever the graph meets the x-axis are called, the x values are called the zeros, okay? Means this is my x1 value, this is my x2 value. What is x1 bacha? x1 is simply -6 and x2 is simply +6. The values of x, okay, of the coordinate of the x coordinate, the points wherever the graph of the quadratic polynomial intersects the x-axis is called as zeros, right? Is called as zeros. Any point like that? Okay, option number D. Option number D they have given, okay? Chaliye, simple problem, not difficult at all. Let's move on to question number 2 quickly. The value of k for which the system of equations 3x minus ky equals to 7, and this one is inconsistent. Inconsistent bacha, the form is this, not equal to C1 by C2. Inconsistent is this, sir, okay? So let's put the values over here. We have 3 by 6 minus k by 10 not equal to this bacha what? We have 7 by 3, which is correct. Let's have a look. We can use this form over here. So 1 by 2 equals to minus k by 10 2 times 5 is 10, so k equals to, minus 5, k equals to minus 5, sir. Yeah, 1 second. Option number B is correct. So question number 2 is done. Option number B is correct. K equals to minus 5. Which formula we have used? The inconsistent relation that we have for the two given linear equations in two variables, of course. Now I have a very important announcement to make for all of you, for all 10th graders. If you're not clear with what decision to make after grade 10, means whether should I go with science, with maths, without maths, with commerce, with arts, whatever it is, okay? Or if you're somebody who's not clear with, let's say, any understanding about, let's say, what do you students do know, that you make a decision of, let's say, choosing math because you don't like bio, you don't like commerce, okay? That's not a healthy way to make a decision, bacha. If you're making a decision, if you want to choose maths, you should know that you like maths, you have apt for mathematics, okay? So that all can be clear once you join this program, which we organize every year. Organizing this year as well is called as DSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test, okay? Now what we do in this program is, again, we enable the students with the tool to make a right decision, okay? Now once you take this program, you'll be clear what you should be choosing. Again, if you're somebody who is not clear with, let's say, or who's writing the program for JEE, for NEET, for KSAT, okay, means they are going for competitive examination and they're clear that they want to do medical, they want to do engineering, then bacha, this program will help you understand that, where you stand in the preparation, your competency level for your JEE, for NEET and KSAT, where you stand in the preparation and how can you get ahead in the competition. All of this will be answered once you take up this program. How to do that? The link for this webpage will be given in the description. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself, book your seat, book your slot on the coming Sunday. Yes, only conducted on Sunday. But this program DSAT is conducted only on Sunday. Book the slot on Sunday, okay, for 3 hours, where bacha, at our offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campus, so that's why you choose a right slot that you can commute that easily. So book on Sunday 3 hours. There are various campuses. Check this out. Wherever is available for you, you can pick the slot available there. Once that is done, bacha, you can go to the campus and take this program, okay? Now what are the advantages of taking this program? So bacha, the structure of this program is in such a way that it helps you make this decision very easily. What is that? First hour will be your lecture, means we'll teach you something, a concept will be taught to you in lecture in the session number 1, the hour number 1. Second hour will be a test, bacha. You have to write an aptitude test on whatever you learned, okay? So second hour is over. You can see the process. First you learn something, then you write a test, okay? It's not like just going there and writing a test based upon, because that way is becomes very unpredictable. The student can have a different app for something and not able to so that. That's why first we teach you something, then we ask you questions on it. Once that is done, the second hour is done. Third hour is very important. We'll evaluate your paper and then you can sit back with us, our team of counselors and faculties. You can sit back with your parents and ask all your doubts, whatever you're having regarding the choice of subject, regarding the career from the subject, whatever it is, okay? What to do after that, what type of career you can expect from choosing a subject. All these concerns can be asked. What you can do is list out all these questions, okay, in one piece of paper and bring that paper to the campus and ask all these doubts with us, okay? Once that is done, we'll also let you know what is your approach to solve a problem. Was it very good, or you need to work on it? Whatever is the feedback of the paper bacha that you have done, we'll let you know properly that this can be done to make it better, okay? If you've done a very good job, we'll let you know that as well, that you're going very good. You're going to achieve your goal if you be consistent in the process, okay? So after all of this, if you're ready to make a decision, you can, of course, you can make a decision. Bacha, then you can, if you are wishing to, if your wish is to join us for your preparation for 11th and 12th, you get a very good scholarship based upon your test score, whatever you scored in the second hour test, right? You're gonna get a scholarship based upon that in the admissions if you join us for 11th and 12th, okay? So make this decision, make this advantage, that is available to you, take this advantage available to you and make a right career choice. Don't waste your time, okay? Choosing a wrong career, wrong subject right now and then, losing that 2-3 years of time, okay? So don't do that, bacha. Take this program and get that tool that you need to make a right career choice, okay? Now moving on to question number 3 that we have, which of the following statement is not true? A number of secants can be drawn at any point of the circle. That's true. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on a circle. That's wrong. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle, okay? From a point inside a circle, only 2 tangents can be drawn. Excuse me. From a point inside a circle, we can't draw a tangent, can we? Circle is like this. How will you draw a tangent from here? If you draw any line like this, it will just bisect the circle. Okay, it will just intersect the circle. So tangent is a point which has only one contact. and it's outside like this. It cannot have two. If you start a line like this, no, you'll have two bacha, one here, one here. That's a secant, right? It's not a tangent. So option D is not true. Option D is not true, bacha. Okay, chaliye. So moving on to question number 4. If nth term of an AP is 7n minus 4, great. Then the common difference of the AP is, okay, we can find two ways. We can find the common difference as nth term minus the previous term. This one, is it the previous term? If this is nth term, bacha, let's say this is 6th term. What is this term? 5th term, right? You can use this method, or what you can do is, if it's not getting this process, so what you can do now, replace this n by n minus 1. You're gonna get and make use of this formula, or simplest way, find a1 and a2. Find a1 and find a2. What is a2, bacha? Check this out. a1 is going to be 7 minus 4, na? Put n as 1. 7 minus 4, 3. Put a2, bacha. What is it? n as 2. 7 into 2 minus 4. How much is that? 14 minus 4. How much is that? 10. First term is 3, second term is 10. What is the common difference, bacha? Common difference will be a2 minus a1. So 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Option is A. Option is A. You can use this method also, not a problem. Okay, just put this value n as n minus 1 over here and get the difference of 7n minus 4 and n minus 7 times of n minus 1 minus 4. Okay, clear? This way is simpler. If you want, you can use this method as well. Question number 4 is done. Answer is 7. Option number A. Question number 5. The radius of the base of a right circular cone and the radius of the sphere are 5 cm in length. Okay, if the volume of a cone is equal to the volume of sphere, then the height of the cone is great. So they've given, bacha, the radius is same, right? Base of the right circular cone and the radius of the sphere they've given, bacha, is 5. Volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. Cone, sphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. On this side we have for sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. The radius is same, that's why I've written as same r. Okay. Pi is cancelled, 3 is cancelled. What I'm getting here? R square h equals to 4r cube. So r square can cancel with this. So we have only one r left. So h equals to 4r. R is given as what, bacha? 5. But here 5. Height of the cone is simply 20 centimeters. Option number B. Option number B. Simple or not? Of course it is. Okay. So formula is like this. The radius is same. That's why I've kept both the radiuses as r and r only. Otherwise we have to change the variables r or r dash or r1 and r2. We can choose any of them. Question number 5 is done. Move on to question number 6. If tan theta is 5 by 2, then 4 sin theta plus cos theta. This expression value they are asking. Okay. चलिए कर लेते हैं. 4 sin theta plus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus cos theta. That's what they're asking. Yes or no? But they've given sin or cos? No, they've given tan, sir. Can we make sin and cos into tan? Divide everything by cos. Check this out. Divide everything by cos, both up and down. Over here by cos, over here by cos as well. Right? Why, sir? Cos and cos will make 1 and sin and cos will make tan. That's why. So we get 4 sin by cos as 4 tan theta and plus cos by cos as simply 1. Same goes over here. 4 sin by cos is 4 tan theta minus cos by cos is simply 1. Put the tan value now. Tan value is going to be 5 by 2. So 4 times of 5 by 2 plus 1 and 4 times of 5 by 2 minus 1. How much is this? 20 by 2. So 10 plus 1. Over here same thing. 10 minus 1. We get 11 by 9. 11 by 9. Option is there. A. Easy or not? Easy or not? Good question, but it is very easy. Okay, I think this is coming from your NCERT, right? So you can see NCERT is very helpful, bacha. NCERT is the most important thing to answer any questions in your board examination. If you have less time, do one thing, focus on NCERT and PYQs only. Don't give energy to anything else. Just NCERT, PYQ. Revise from NCERT, solve PYQs to get the confidence. NCERT, PYQs, that's enough. But in NCERT, give reference to the solved example. Solve every solved example given in your NCERT textbook. Okay, question number 6 is done. Moving on to question number 7. In the given figure, a tangent has been drawn at a point P on the circle centered at O. Okay, चलिए centered at O they've given over here. TPQ is 100. Okay, TPQ is here बच्चा, TPQ this is given as 100. We know OPT is how much, sir? OPT is going to be 90 degree, right? Okay, no, this is not 100, it's 110, excuse me. I read it as 100, it's 110, sir. 110. What is OPT, sir? What is this angle OPT? Have a look. Angle OPT is 90 degree. How come, sir? Of course, you let me know in the comment section, right? How come 90 degree is this? Pakka. Okay, why? You let me know in the comment section. Question number 7, let me know in the comment section why angle OPT is 90 degree. Okay, now once that is true, what is the angle, bacha? OPQ 110 degree minus 90, so 20 degrees. OPQ is 20 degree now. Okay, we also know this will be equal to angle OQP. This I'll tell you why. OPQ and OQP are equal because OP and OQ are equal, because OP equals to OQ, they're both radiuses. So by isosceles triangle property, OP and OQ equal means isosceles triangle. Therefore, the angle OPQ and OQP are equal. So both are 20 degrees. Okay, for that reason, what is the angle POQ, bacha? Angle POQ plus angle OPQ plus angle OQP is equals to 180 degree, right? How come, sir? Angle some property of a triangle. Okay, so this is going to be as it is. Sorry, POQ, right? Not PQO. 1 second. POQ plus this is OPQ is how much, sir? 20 degree, and so is OQP. So 20 plus 20, 180. Check this out. Here 40. Bring this 40 on this side. 140 will become, because 180 minus 40 is, this is 40, right? 20 plus 20 is 40. Bring over here minus 40. Sign change will be there. So 180 minus 40 is simply 140. Answer is going to be, sir, what? Option number C, 140. Option number C, 140. Please have a look. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Question number 7, option number C is the right answer. Moving on to question number 8. A quadratic polynomial having zeros given like that is going to be what, sir? Chaliye. X minus root 5 by 2 they've given here. So, and this one plus root 5 by 2. है ना? This is correct. That's the polynomial we make. We have to keep a constant outside because we don't know what is the coefficient of x. Okay, we can't take that for sure. This is the polynomial, right? Okay, now expand it. What are you gonna get? K times of x square minus 5 by 2 root the whole square. So k times of x square minus 5 by 2. Check this out. What are you getting, bacha? K times of 2x square minus 5, है ना? So which is suiting over here? So this one. If I take, bacha, k as, okay, 2 I can remove, no? Check this out from here. Why can't you can remove this, sir? Check this out here. 8x square minus 20, we'll keep it as 0, no? Because we're looking for finding 0 value. We need to do that. What are you gonna get? 8x square equals to 20, right? So you're gonna get, bacha, x square equals to 20 by 8, which is nothing but 4 5s and 4 2s are. So x square equals to 5 by 2. So x equals to root 5 by 2 with the plus both minus plus minus sign. Same thing. Check this out. That's why I ignore the 2 as denominator. Okay. I've kept this 2 outside. You can check this out. Only number that forms here is 8x square minus 20. Option number B is correct. Clear, na? I've shown you both approach, from the answer, from the question. You can use the answer, also get the answer as, check this, I've taken over here and getting this as plus minus root 5 by 2, plus and minus, or you can take the question and get this as result, suiting the option number B. Okay. Now question number 9 that we have, let's solve it. Question number 9. Consider the frequency distribution of 45 observations, okay, upper limit of the median class. For median class, what we need, bacha? What do we need? We need the cumulative frequency, right? So let's find the cumulative frequency, sir, quickly. कर लेते हैं 0 to 10, okay, 30 to 40, 42, 50. Okay, frequency is 5, 9, 15, 10, 6. Okay, now once that is there, let's find CF bacha. Let's find CF. 5, 14, 29, 39 and 45 है ना. So this is the value. N is sir 45. So n by 2 will be sir 45 by 2. How much is that? 22.5 contained over here. Okay, now this is my median class. Then in that case, what is this sir? Median class. Okay, we know this median class is 20 now, so 20 to 30 now. Looking for upper limit, right? So 30 is the answer. Upper limit is 30, sir. Check this out. Upper limit is 30, sir. Very simple. I hope you got it. Please have a look. Upper limit is 30, sir. Okay. How did you find the median class? By finding the sum of all the frequency n and looking at in the CF value where the n by 2 is easily contained. Okay. Wherever is the first number greater than n by 2 value, that is called as the reference CF. The respective value of the median will be given by, the class interval will be given by median class. Okay. Question number 10 now. O is the point of the intersection of two chords A, B and CD of a circle. Okay. They've given BOC is 80. They've given BOC is 80. Chaliye. This is 80 they have given. Okay, one second. They have given this as 80, right? So this is 80, sir. It means this angle is also 80 degree. Okay, great. Angle BOC and angle AOD is both 80 degree. Also, what are they saying? OA equals to OD. OA equals to OD. Okay. So then ODA and OBC are similar. Yes, sir, they are similar, right? They are similar, bacha. Okay. Option will be isosceles and similar. Option will be isosceles and similar, sir. Correct. No, isosceles, why, sir? Because OD equals to OA, right? Once this is similar, it becomes what, bacha? It becomes as, okay, it becomes as, bacha, your what do you call? It becomes isosceles as well. How similar? Check this out. If you check the angle, segment AC, right? Angle D and angle B are equal, no? Angle D and angle B are equal. Why? Angle on the same segment. So angle D equals to angle B and angle A equals to angle C. Hence the triangle AOD and BOC are equal. If you want, I can write it here. Angle D equals to angle B and angle A equals to angle C. Which reason? Angles on the same segment. Angles on same segment. Okay. From here we get the triangles are similar. Similar means the ratio will be same. So we have already OD equals to OA. It means that OB will become equal to OC. That's why isosceles and similar. So option number B is correct. I hope this is clear. If not, let me know in the comment section. Okay. Let me know. I'll try to get back with you, with the solution of that. So your answer is option number B, bacha. Let's move on with question number 11. The roots of the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 are, okay. Let's find D, sir. B square minus 4AC. How much is that, bacha? Will be, B is what, sir? 1 square minus 4 times of 1 into C is minus 1. How much is that? 1 plus 4. How much is that? 5. What it means? D greater than 0. It means, sir, real roots, real and distinct root. But is D a perfect square? Is D a perfect square, sir? No, bacha. Check the roots formula. x1 comma x2 is given by minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, right? Can you make root of 5? You can't, bacha. That's why it will be irrational. So root 5 will be there. So you'll have irrational and distinct root. Irrational and distinct root. So your answer is, bacha, option number A. What is the answer, sir? Option number A, irrational and distinct root. Why distinct? Because greater than 0. Why irrational? Because it's not a perfect square. If D was perfect square, then you'll have a rational root. Okay. Chaliye. So question number 11 is done. 12 now. Theta is 360. If theta is 30 degree, then the value of theta and theta is how much? Okay. 3 tan theta. All right. Let's have a look. 3 times of tan 30 degree. 3 times of 1 by root 3. Okay. So we have 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 is how much, sir? Option number C. Option number C is 3 by root 3. Tan 30 is going to be 1 by root 3. That's why 3 by root 3. Option number C is correct. Question number 13 now. The volume of a solid hemisphere is 396 by 7 centimeter cube. The total surface area of the solid hemisphere is what? Okay. So volume they have given, they are asking for TSA. Volume of hemisphere, right? Okay. Volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Check this out. 396 by 7, 2 by 3, 22 by 7 r cube. Okay. 7 and 7 is cancelled. Okay. Now I can cancel this with 11. Can I? 11 3s are 33. 11 6s are 66. Okay. 11 2s are gone over here. We have bacha 2 2s are 4. Here 36 means 9. I'm getting here 9 times of 3 equals to r cube. Not sure, do your own calculation. Okay. Don't worry, just take this expression and do your calculation from your side. What are you getting bacha from here? R is simply 3. Take the cube root of 9 into 3, 27. What is R value? 3 centimeters. We're looking for what, sir? TSA of solid hemisphere. TSA, sir. TSA is given by, sir, if you remember, 2 pi r square plus pi r square. How come, bacha? Hemisphere, right? This is pi r square, this is 2 pi r square. This is pi r square, this is 2 pi r square. So add them, you're going to get 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square, how much is that? 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 square. How much is that? 3 into 9 into 22 by 7. So we have bacha 27 into 22. 27 into 22. So check this out. We have 54 and 54. We get here 4, 9 and 5. 594 by 7 is my answer. 594 by 7 is my TSA of the given solid hemisphere. 594 by 7 centimeter square, of course. Okay, option number B is correct. Please have a look. Simple enough. Okay, done. Question number 13 is done. Let's move on, bacha, with question number 14. I know this will be longer, bacha. What we can do, we have to solve the paper. It's very important to solve sample papers, sir. Very important to write mock papers, bacha. What you can do actually is write a mock test of the sample paper. So take this question paper which was given to you, solve it from your side if you missed out on that, and then come back and check the solution again. Okay, or otherwise we'll have other papers as well. So let's say next paper I'm gonna solve in maths. You can question paper will be given to you in the WhatsApp channel. Access that, solve it from your side. Spend a proper timing, 2.5 hours you can spend, that is more than enough, and then come back and check the solutions with me. Okay, chali, in a bag containing 24 balls, 4 are blue. We have a bag which has how much, bacha? 24 balls in total. 4 are blue balls. Okay, we have 11 as green balls, and the rest is, bacha, white balls. How much is that? 15, so will become 9, sir. 9 is white, hai na? Correct. Okay, so 9 is white balls. Okay, one ball is drawn at random. The probability of that drawn ball is white in color. Probability of drawing a white color ball will be, sir, favorable outcome is how much, bacha? 9. So 9 by total outcomes 24. Cancel this. 3 3s are 9, 3 8 are 24. Answer is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Option number B. Option number B. Simple question. Very simple. Of course, sir. It is a very simple question. 15 now, the point on the x-axis nearest to the point -4, -5 is on the x-axis, right? Draw this coordinate axis. We have x here. The point is -4. Excuse me, -5. This is the point, right? This is the point P, -4, -5. Okay, we're looking for x-axis point. Okay, we have 0, 0 over here. First point is A, let's say 0, 0, or let's call this to be origin only, right? Why call other name? Origin is 0, 0. Second point is -4, 0. This is the point A, -4, 0. Other point is minus 5 comma 0, somewhere over here. Other point is minus 41 comma 0, right? Positive side. So 41 will be more than 6, right? So somewhere over here. This is 6, no? So after this 6 point, somewhere will be root 41 comma 0. Which is the nearest? Means line joining should be smallest. This is the line joining, okay? And this is the line. Which line looks smaller to you? Of course, the perpendicular line, right? The perpendicular line is to the any two points, any two lines. Let's say this is the line, this is the point. Which is the shortest distance? Shortest distance will be the perpendicular line, okay? For a point and a line given, the shortest distance is the distance between the point and the line in the perpendicular direction, okay? This all is, if you check this out now, if all of these PAO, right? Excuse me. This is O, bacha. This is origin, right? PAO we have, or we can take PA, let's call this to be point B, PAB, and call this to be point C. So we have PAB, PAC. Every time PB, PO, and PC are hypotenuse. So of course, the hypotenuse has to be bigger than the line PA itself. It means the nearest point will be minus 4 comma 0. Hana? Right? Have a look if you're not sure. The nearest point will be the perpendicular line. So minus 4 comma 0 is the nearest point. Option is option number B. Chali. Question number 16. Which of the following gives the middlemost observation of the data? Median, right? Middlemost is median, no? You arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. The middlemost value is called as the median. Okay. 17th problem. A point on the x-axis divides the line segment joining the point here in the ratio. Find the point, okay? So we have, check this out, on x-axis, right? So it means y is 0. X-axis like this, there's 2 points, A somewhere over here, 2 comma minus 3. So like this, somewhere here. A is given as 2 comma minus 3. We have B as 5 comma 6. B as 5 comma 6, okay? Joined like this, the ratio they've given here as 1 to 2. Okay, it means we're looking for the point coordinate. We can use section formula we can use. So we'll write here, bacha, x will be given as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Check this out. M times of m is 1 times of 5 plus n is 2 times of 2 plus m plus n, so 1 plus 2, 5 plus into 1 is 5 and 2 into 2 is 4 by 3, we get 9 by 3, we get simply 3. We get simply the value as 3, bacha, okay? On the x-axis, right, this is bacha what value? This is going to be x-axis, okay? The point is what, sir? 3 comma what? 0 always, right? X-axis, y coordinate is 0. Answer is C. Answer is C. The value of x is coming from the section formula as 3. Y has to be 0 on the x-axis. Okay. So option number 7 is C for the question number 17. Moving on to question number 18. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards. The probability of getting a red face card. A red category we have 2 sets. है ना? 13 cards here, 13 cards here. In the face category we will have what? We'll have 3 face cards here, 3 face cards here. है ना? Jack, Queen and King. In the first category, second category will again be Jack, Queen and King. So total of 6. So red face card. Probability of getting a red face cards. It will be 6 upon total. How much is that? 36. So 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. Why is 6? 3 plus 3 is 6, na? Total is what, bacha? So not 36, excuse me. I thought this to be a dice problem. 52, right? Total number of cards is not 36, it's 52. It's a mistake I made. 2 3 is 6 and 2 26 are 52. Answer is, bacha, what? 3 by 26. Okay. Excuse me. I just got distracted somehow and I thought the question is coming from dice category. That's why I chose that 36. But answer is going to be 3 by 26, bacha. Total number of cards will be 52. They must have given here. Okay, they have not. The answer is 52. Okay. Total number of cards is 52. 13 of each category. Total of 4 categories. 13 into 4 is 52. Okay. So 3 by 26 is the answer. Have a look. Is option D. 19th now. Assess and reason now. We have moved to 1 mark category only, but assess and reason we have solved first 18 MCQs. Let's have a look. I hope you have understood all the questions. If not, let me know in the comment section that sir, I missed out on that. Whatever it is, let me know your query, your feedback from your side in the comment section. 19th problem. Assertion is given as HCF of any two consecutive even natural number is always 2. Correct. Right? No? Check this out. 2 and 4. What does that say, bacha? 2 only, sir. 4 and 6. What does that say, bacha? Again 2 only. 6 and 8. What does that say, bacha? Again 2 only. 8 and 10. What does that say, bacha? Again 2 only. Every time you go, any consecutive natural number you take, even natural number, what does that say, bacha? Always 2. Always 2. Okay. Even natural number are divisible by 2. Correct, no? Any number you take, 1, 2, 2. Any number you take, even number, will be divisible by 2, sir. But does the reason explain assertion? No, sir. Okay. So answer will be B, bacha. Why not, sir? Because the difference is only 2. No, that's why. Difference is always 2 over here. That's the reason. Okay. Chaliye, moving on to question number 20. The reason both the statements are true, but doesn't explain the assertion. Okay. So, if the radius of the sector of a circle is reduced to its half, radius is, let's say, so we had a case, sector, right? Okay. So we had a case where the sector, so radius was given as, let's say R, okay, and the angle was given as, let's say, theta. Okay, what are we looking for? Perimeter, right? So what is the perimeter going to be, bacha? You remember this? Perimeter will be, sir, given by simply theta by 360 times of 2 pi r. Is it enough? No, sir, we have to add plus 2r as well. Correct, na? Sector, right? Check this out. So you have to add, this is called as the arc part, the first one, and this 2 radiuses you have to also add, right? This is r and r. You have to add the 2 radiuses. That's why 2r you have to add to find the perimeter. Not this arc length. To find the perimeter is given by plus 2r. Okay, they have mentioned here perimeter. Now check the change. Radius is reduced to half. Radius is reduced to half, and angle also is doubled. Okay. So next case, sir. The radius is becoming what, bacha? New radius is r by 2, and the new angle theta dash is nothing but twice of theta. Okay. So let's look for the perimeter now. Will be given by theta dash upon 360 degrees times of 2 pi r dash plus 2r dash. Okay, है ना? Change radius to 2 theta by 360 into 2 pi r by 2 plus 2 times of r by 2. What is r dash, sir? R by 2. What is theta dash, sir? 2 theta. Cancel this 2 and 2. Gone. This 2 and 2. Gone. What are we getting, bacha? They're getting this perimeter value as theta by 360 2 pi r plus simply r. This is new perimeter actually, p dash. Is this same as this value? We have 2r over here, whereas we have only 1r over here. They are saying that remains the same. It means incorrect, bacha. It means incorrect. How come, sir? We have only 1r over here. We have 2r over here in the original case. Okay. After this change, the perimeter is changing. Okay. Now let's look at the reason. So assertion is wrong for that reason. Reason will be the length of the arc subtending angle theta at the center of circle is same formula, no? Correct. We just wrote it. Theta by 360 times 2 pi r, na bacha. Cancel this 2 with this. 180. What is the answer we are getting? Check this out. Theta. So we are getting, bacha, pi r theta by 180 degree, right? Same value. So it means correct. Reason is true. Assertion is wrong. Okay. So option number D. Reason is true. Assertion is incorrect or false. Why false? Original case perimeter is coming as theta by 360 2 pi r plus 2r. New case, a perimeter is coming as theta by 360 2 pi r plus r. Okay, that's why the two perimeter is not same. Okay, chaliye, let's have a look. Very good question. Question number 20 is done. Moving on to the section number B of 2 marker. Okay, let's solve that, bacha. Again, this section also, I hope you had fun in the section number 1, section A of 1 marker. I hope you got all the questions explained to you easily. Any other thing that you want to say to me, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you solved the paper, bacha, then I hope you have done a good job in section number A. Okay, let's move on to section number B now, 2 marker category. We have an internal option present over here. We can choose either of them, but I will solve both of them because I don't know your preference. Find the HCF and LCM of 480 and 720 using the prime factorization method. चलिए कर लेते हैं. 480. We can write this as, take this out. First I'll write it over here. 2 times of, we want prime factorization method. We have to factorize with the help of only prime numbers. Okay, so 2 times of with bacha will be, so I can do it faster. It'll make our work easier. That's why we don't have to show this step. Okay, so right here 10, 48. Okay, 12, 4. Okay, now I can write this simply 480 as, check this out. 10 is what, bacha? 2 into 5. है ना? Then what is 12, bacha? 3 into 4. And what is the last term? Into 4. Is it enough? No, sir. We have to write in terms of only prime factors. Have a look. So 480 is nothing but, we have 2 square here, 2 square here. 4 means what? 2 square. So we have 2 square here, 2 square here, and 2 power 1 here. Means 2 power 5. How come, sir? 2 square means power will be added, right? Same thing over here. 1 is there, so 2 power 5 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization of 480. This is the step that you need to show. Okay. Next one is 720. Same will do. 720 we can do, bacha, again with 10, 72 with 8 and 9. Have a look. 720 I can write it as 2 times of 5 for this first 10. What is 8, bacha? 2 power 3. What is 9, bacha? 3 power 2. 3 power 2. What is the answer? Check this out. 2 power 4, 3 power 2 and 5. This is given as 720's prime factorization. The 2 boxes are your very, very important steps. You have to show this. Okay, so 2 power 4, 3 power 2 and 5. Chaliye. Now we are looking for what, bacha? We are looking for HCF and LCM. HCF is what, sir? HCF is, sir, okay, check this out, 2 power 4, okay, and 3 power 1 and 1 5 is there. Okay, so what we're getting, sir? Let's keep this like this, 2 power 3 into 2 into 5. How come, sir? Because I can make 10 over here. We get here 8 into 2. So 2 power 4 is written as 2 power 3 and 2 power 2. Sorry, just 2. 2 power 3 and into 2. What's our 2 power 4 only? Why we wrote like this? To make it 10. 8 into 3 is 24. We have 10, so 240. The smart way of doing calculation, okay? Just doing it faster. 2 power 4 is simply written as 2 power 3 into 2 power 2. 8 into 3 is 24. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay? 5 into 2 is 10. That's why 240. This is my HCF value. HCF value is given here, 240. Let's look for LCM, bacha. What is LCM approach? All the factors. For HCF we had only common factors with the least power. Okay? For LCM with the highest power, all the factors. Chaliye, let's have a look. 2 power 5 into 3 power 2 into 5. 3 power 2 into 5. Chaliye. So we have here, sir. Again we can write the same way, 2 power 4 here and 3 power 2 as it is, 2 here into 5. 2 power 5 was there, no? I wrote this 2 with the 5. So this is nothing but 16. This is nothing but 9. This is nothing but 10. This is going to be, bacha, 144, right? 0. What is the answer? 1440. This is LCM. Check this out. Okay. This is the LCM given for your 2 numbers 480 and 720. What is the answer, sir? 1440. Okay. Now let's look at the second part. The HCF of 85 and 238 is expressible in the form of 85m and minus 238. Find the value of m. Find the value of m, sir. Okay. Let's write the numbers 85 and 238 over here. For B part, 85 and 238 I have, right? Okay. we have given the, what they have given here, HCF. Okay, let's write the prime factorization of that first. So I can write 85 as simply 17 into 5. Okay, 17 into 5 is 85. What about 238, bacha? You know, it has to have 17 in it. Okay, if to have a HCF exists, we have 17 in it. Okay, so let's have a look, because 5 is not there. 5 is not there. Okay, this is not a factor of 5, is it? It's not a multiple of 5. 238 is not a multiple of 5. It has to be a multiple of 17. So one time we'll do 17 into 1 is 17. We have here remainder as 6. 68 is 4. So basically my 238 prime factor is 17 into 2 into 7. So what is HCF, bacha? Check this out. HCF is 17. HCF is 17. Okay. Now what they've given? They've given HCF as 85m minus 238. 238 equals to 17. Can we cancel this with 17? How come, sir? Because we got this HCF. Okay, let's cancel this. 17 times of 5 over here, and this with simply 14 we just did on this case. Okay, so I just cancel this. What is left on this side, sir? Only 1. Check this out now. I'm getting here 5m minus 14 equals to 1. Bring 14 over here. 5m equals to 15. M equals to 3. M equals to 3 is the answer. Chale. Okay, 5m equals 15 means m is equal to 3. A very good question. Both of them are good question, bacha. Have a look from here, 21A and 21B. Moving on to question number 22A. Again, we have two options. Two dices are rolled together bearing the numbers. Now, usually we have dices with the what numbers? With the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they have changed here. The numbers are given as 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. What is that, bacha? For option number A, have a look. These are the outcomes. Okay, all the outcomes basically called as sample space. So 4, 6, 7, 9, 11 and 12. So what is total number of outcome, bacha? Total number of outcomes is again 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6. So 4, 6, 9, 11, 12 is 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12 is 6 numbers in total. So 6 is the total number of outcomes. Find the probability that the product of the numbers obtained is odd number. How can we get an odd number? If you multiply any even number to any number, will it be odd? Never. So it will be always even number. Means we have to get both numbers as odd only. Means in the sample space, in the favorable outcome actually, in the favorable outcomes. Asha, you should know one thing before I go ahead and do this. They have thrown two dice, right? They have not thrown one dice. So you'll have a 2 outcome every time. They have thrown 2 dice, bacha. It means they'll have 2 outcomes. So one display is like this, other is like this. Okay, means both has to be odd and odd. This has to be also odd. This also has to be odd, right? So for this one to be odd, bacha. Okay, what is the answer? Please check this. We have odd is 7, 9 and 11. Means 3 out of 6. Over here also 3 out of 6. Okay, what is the answer, sir? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Probability of getting odd in place 1 is 1 by 2. Probability of getting odd in place 2 is again what? 1 by 2. Okay, now we want probability of odd in both the places. What is that, bacha? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How much is that, sir? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, why are you looking for both dice having odd? Both dice result is odd. Why, sir? Because then only you're going to get the product as odd number. Then you only get the product as odd number. So otherwise what you can do is write the favorable outcomes. So you're going to write this here as, have a look. So you can write this as, bacha, first 7 with 9, 7 with 7 and 7 with 11. Same way you can write for, bacha, 9 with 7, 9 with 9. Okay, 9 with 9, and then you can write, one second, 9 with 9 and 9 with 11, right? So 9 with 9 and 9 with 11. Okay, we can also write this 11 also, 11, 9 and we have 11 with 7 and 11 with 11. Check this out. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So total 9 by 36. 9 by 36. Why 36, sir? Total number of outcomes in one event is 6. So we have total of 2 events. So 6 square. So 36. This is the answer. 1 by 4 only. Same thing I've got over here. 2 methods to solve the same question. You can write this method as well, okay, or this method as well. Both of them works. Now moving on to our case, which is the case number 2. How many positive 3-digit numbers have hundredth digit as 8, unit digit as 5, and the probability of selecting one such number out of all 3-digit numbers? Okay, let's have a look here only. So 3-digit number means over here like this and like this. Okay, so they have said that fixing the 100 digit as 8 and the ones digit as 5. So picking 8, total of what, bacha? Is 1 out of 9. How come, sir, 9? Because bacha, if you write all the numbers, so you have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, which makes total of 10 actually. But can you write 0 in the 100 digit? If you write the 0 over there, it will become 2-digit number, right? It means you have to pick 1, which is 8 out of total of what, bacha? 9, because 0 can't be written in the hundreds place. Okay, same way what you can put over here, anything. It means probability is what, bacha? 10 by 10. Yes or no? You can put any number out of this. So what is the answer, bacha? 10 by 10. What are the last one? We can put only 5, right? So only 5, which is only one such outcomes. So 1 out of how many, sir? 10, bacha. Why 10, sir? Because at the last we can put 0 also, right? So that's why we can put 1 by 10. We have to pick 5 only out of total 10 digits. Okay, check this out, bacha. What we're getting here, sir? Cancel this 10 and 10. We're getting, sir, 1 by 90. Excuse me, 1 by 90. Why multiplied, bacha? Because we want all this to be true. What is the requirement? Requirement is to make or to choose a 3-digit number having the hundreds place as 8, unit place as 5. Okay, it can be any number out of the 3-digit number. It means the condition has to be given like this: 1 out of 9 to get 8, 1 out of 10 to get 5, and we can put any number in between. So 10 by 10. Okay, that's why the answers are all together. We have to include, we need this, this and this together. We can't have any one option. So this and this and this, and means multiplication. That's why the answer is 1 by 9 into 10 by 10 into 1 by 10. So cancelling this 10 and 10, we get 1 by 90 is my final answer. It's a very good question, bacha. It's a very, very good question. Okay, chaliye. This is a what is this called, bacha? This is called as your total outcomes, total number of outcomes. Or we can also simply call it as sample space. Sample space is like this, bacha. Okay, for this digit and this digit. For this, what is sample space? Only the 9 number. We don't have 0. For the 100 digit, we don't have 0 in the sample space, because if you keep 0 there, it will become a 2-digit number. Is it clear? It's a very good question. Please have a look. Question number 22 is done. Moving with question number 23. Sin square 60 multiplied with 2 minus tan square 30. This is based upon special angles. Quickly solve it. 2 times of sin square 60. So root 3 by 2 the whole square minus tan square 30. So 1 by root 3. 1 second. 1 by root 3, right? So 1 by root 3 the square divided by sec square 45. So bacha will be simply root 2 the square. Sec 45 is root 2. Okay, chaliye. But we're getting 2 times of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 divided by 2. Okay, what we get, bacha, over here? So 2 and 2 is cancelled. I'm getting here 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 divided by 2. Okay, take the LCM over here. We get this as 6 is the LCM in the numerator. Okay, 2 3 is 6, so 9 minus 3 2 is 6, so 2 by 2. So 7 minus 6 into 2, 7 minus 12 is the final answer. Okay, simplifications can be done from your side as well. Very simple. Just write the values: sin 60, tan 30 and sec 45 as I've mentioned over here. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay, moving to question number 24. find the points on the x-axis which is at a distance of root 41 units from the point 8 and minus 5. Okay, so x-axis, what's the coordinate bacha of any point? It will be x comma 0, because y coordinate is always 0. So if I take this point to be, let's say, point A, and this point to be, let's say, point B, distance AB will be given by root of x minus 8 the whole square plus minus 5 the whole square, है ना? And this is given as root 41. Root 41, they've given the distance. Check this out. So x minus 8 the whole square plus 25. They're having both side root, it means I can square on both side and get the roots eliminated. So I can write here, which is simply directly root 41 as x minus 8 the whole square plus 25. Bring it over here. What we get, sir? 41 minus 25 equals to x minus 8 the whole square. What we get over here? 16 equals to x minus 8 the whole square. What we get over here? X minus 8 equals to plus minus 4. We have both options, right? Both plus minus 4, because the root will make both negative and positive values of 4 and minus 4. Chaliye, take plus first. So x equals to plus 4 plus 8. How much is that? 12. And the last one, x equals to minus 4 plus 8. How much is that? Plus 4. So your answers are nothing but this, 12 and 4. 12 and 4 is your answer for the points coordinate. What is the coordinate, bacha? Find the points. The point, let's say I can point to be point, let's say, name the point as P. The point which is equidistant with the distance of root 41 is given as P equals to 12 comma 0 and Q equals to 4 comma 0. These are the 2 points which is at a distance of root 41 units from the given point 8 comma minus 5. Clear hai? This is clear, right? Okay, please have a look. Moving on with question number 25. So that the points A, B and C are what is of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, chaliye. A, B, C. Isosceles means I have to show any 2 sides equal to each other. Okay, let's find the AB length first. Let's find the AB length first. Root of this value, bacha, 3 minus 5. So 3 plus 5 ka square plus 0 minus 6. So minus 6 ka square. How much is that? 64. 8 square is 64. And here we have 36. So root 100. How much is that? 10. 10 is this value. Let's look for BC now. Length BC. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So we'll have simply 6 and 8 minus 0. So simply 8 square. Have a look. So 6 square is 36. 64 here again. This is root 100 equals to 10. So isosceles. So what if the third side is also equal? What if third side is also 10? Then it will become equilateral. So you check for the third side also. What is that? AC, sir. Let's look for AC, bacha. So 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 will be 9 plus 5 plus we have 8 minus 6. So 2. 14 square plus 2 square. Okay. How much is that? 198. Hai na? 198. So we get, bacha, this as 14 into, okay, 1 second. 1 second, sir. Let's write it like this. 7 times, so we get, bacha, 7 into 2 and we have 5. Okay, no, not 7 will not work. Okay, we can write with 9, right? Yeah. Check this out. So we can write this as with 9. So 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. Okay, and 9 2s are 18 again. Right? This is it. Okay, but we know one thing, right? AB equals to BC, which is not equal to AC. Okay, it means AB is only equal to BC. Hence, triangle ABC is isosceles. Is it clear or not? You don't need equilateral, do we? We need only isosceles. This is not relevant, only these two are. So they are both 10 units. That's why triangle ABC is isosceles. Have a look. Question number 25 is done. Moving to bacha section C, which is question number 26 onwards, 3 marker category. I hope you got, if you solved the paper, I hope you got these questions right. If you have any doubt in that, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer your questions, okay? Otherwise, let's move on to section number C, 3 marker category. Chaliye. Question number 26, we have part A. Again, there's an internal option given to you. You can choose either of them, either part A or part B. I'll solve both of for all of you. In triangle ABC, DEF, in triangle ABC, DEF are midpoints, okay? It means DEF are midpoints of BC, CA and AB. Prove that FBD and DEF are similar and DEF and ABC are similar, okay? Chaliye, let's do that. Achha, we know one thing, right? What is it, sir? We know that we can use the midpoint formula. Okay, 1 second. So we have DEF as midpoints, okay? Great. If E and F are midpoints, it means EF is parallel to BD, right? 1 second. So let's just solve this first part A. E and F are midpoints, right? It means EF is parallel to BC or basically BD, same thing, right? Either parallel to BC or BD is the same thing, right? Okay, great bacha. We can also write it like this. Since we have D and E midpoints, okay? Since we have D and E as midpoints, we can write bacha, D is parallel to BF, same way. DE is parallel to BF. D is parallel to BF. Correct, na? So this can be my equation number 1 and this can be my equation number 2. We're looking for FBD and DEF. FBD and DEF. Have a look. Okay. So for that reason, bacha, we can see here. Check this out. In triangle FBD and triangle DEF. Okay. What we have? So we have angle B equals to angle E. How come, sir? How come, sir? Because check this out. FE is parallel to BD. FE is parallel to BD and D parallel to BF. It means what, bacha? BDEF is a parallelogram, sir. Is a parallelogram, sir. For that reason, we have angle B equals to angle E. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay. Next, what, sir? Angle. If I write over here, have a look. If I write over here as angle 1 and this as angle 2, okay, then angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. How come, sir? Angle 1, excuse me, angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why, sir? Alternate interior angles. From where, bacha? From BF parallel to DE. From BF parallel to DE. Yes or no? BF parallel to DE means angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. Since we have two angles equal, it means simply triangle FBD is similar with triangle DEF by angle similarity. Yes or no? Angle similarity will work if you have two angles, corresponding angles equal. Okay. So next, what is that? DEF and ABC are equal. DEF and ABC are equal. Okay. So we got one thing, that BDEF is a parallelogram. We got one thing so far. Since we are still moving in the section 1 only, so we got BDEF is a parallelogram. Yes or no? Have a look. BDEF is a parallelogram. Same way, bacha, we can get DCEF. How come, sir? FE is parallel to CD and EC is parallel to FD. Yes or no? F and D are midpoints, right? It means F and D are 1 second. F and D are midpoints, right? F and D are midpoints of the given lines. It means we can write, bacha, from the midpoint theorem, F and D are midpoints. It means FD is parallel to EC or AC. So we get here FD is parallel to AC or basically parallel to EC, right? Chaliye, this is clear. Okay, now have a look over here. FD parallel to EC, it means, check this out, FD is parallel to EC and CD is parallel to EF. CD over here, same thing, right? CD is nothing but part of BC. We already have BC parallel to EF. It means CD is parallel to EF. So CD parallel to EF and EC parallel to FD. It means DC EF is a parallelogram. It means DC EF is a parallelogram. Okay. We also have bacha. We also have AFDE also parallelogram. Why, sir? FD parallel to AE. How come, sir? Because FD is parallel to AC, right? It means FD is parallel to AE. So is DE parallel to AB. It means D is parallel to AF. So we have DEAF. DEAF also has parallelogram. DEAF is a parallelogram. Yes or no? DEAF is a parallelogram. Now, if DEAF is a parallelogram, it means angle D equals to angle A. It means from here we can write here angle D equals to angle A. Opposite angle of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram, है ना? Same way बच्चा we can write, sir. So angle D equals to angle A we got, and we can write बच्चा angle B equals to angle E. Okay, or I can write here angle E equals to angle B. Same way, opposite angles of parallelogram. Which one? Tell me. For E and B we have, sir. For E and B we have BDEF. Parallelogram BDEF, right? Now angle E equals to angle B and angle D equals to angle A. Angle E equals to angle B and angle D equals to angle A. It means what, sir? In triangle DEF and ABC, therefore in triangle DEF and triangle ABC, we can say that triangle, same thing obviously, DEF is similar with triangle ABC with angle similarity. With angle similarity. How come, sir? Angle D equals to angle A, angle B equals to angle E. Also angle F equals to angle C. Okay, it means all angles are equal. Which angles, sir? Corresponding angles are equal. For that reason, bacha, we are getting the two triangles as similar that we had to prove. Have a look. First part is proven over here. FBD and DEF are similar over here, and DEF and ABC are proved similar over here. Okay, chaliye. Now before I move on to the next part, question number 27, let's solve the part number B, the OR part of question 26. Have a look before I move on to do that. Okay, what are they saying? Question number 26 part B. In triangle ABC, sir, in triangle ABC, bacha, they have given that P and Q are points on AB and AC respectively, such that PQ is parallel to BC. They have given, bacha, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, I can apply BPT, no? No, I can apply the similarity, sir. So triangle APQ will be similar to triangle ABC. Right? It means, bacha, how come similar, sir? Because, bacha, check this out. The angles will be equal, no? If you're not sure, I'll show you. This angle and this angle are equal, corresponding angles, because the lines are parallel. Over here also same thing, parallel. Means that's why the triangles are similar. Chali. Okay, great. With that known, we can write what, bacha? AP by AB equals to AQ by AC, है ना? AQ by AC, equation number 1. Okay, this is for B part. Okay, this is for B part, sir. Chali. So AP by AB equals to AQ by AC. Great. Now same way I can write this, bacha. AP by AB equals to PR by BD. Correct, no? AQ by AP by AB equals to PR by BD. How come, sir, in triangle APR and ABD? So I'm writing for this part. I can draw the figure over here just for rough. We have A, we have P, we have B, we have Q, C, and I think D is there. Have a look. Okay. Now again, bacha, we can write in triangle, check this out, triangle APR and triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. They're similar, right? Why, sir, they're similar? Again, sir, corresponding angles. This angle equal to this angle, and this angle over here is equal to this angle, right? Means what we're getting, sir? We're getting here triangle APR is similar with, 1 second, we can write this directly. We don't have to write this again. So triangle APR similar to triangle, similar to triangle ABD. Okay, so we get, bacha, over here AP to AB equals to PR to BD, है ना? And same way we also get, bacha, what we get here, sir? AQ. This is similarly, okay? Similarly, what we get, sir? AQ to AC equals to, check this out, AR to DR. Sorry, not AR. AQ to AC equals to QR to CD. QR to CD. Have a look. AQ to AC equals to QR to CD. Okay. From here, what we get, bacha? We know this is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. We can write here from 1, 2, and 3. Have a look. AP, BP, AQ, AC are already equal. AP, AB, and AQ, AC are already equal. AP, AB, and AQ, AC are already equal. It means this part, the RHS has to be equal. This part RHS has to be equal. Yes or no? From equation 1, 2, and 3, where is equation 1, sir? Over here. This part, bacha. This equation 1, not this one. This for question number A. Check this out. This is question number A. Okay. This is question number B. The optional question. Okay. So from A, equation number 1, 2, 3, AP by AB equals to AQ by AC. Also we have AP by AB equals to PR by BD, and here QR by CD. So we can write, bacha, directly PR by BD equals to QR by CD. Okay, and we know that BD equals to CD. How come, sir? Check this out. They have given here, bacha, median is AD. This is the median AD. What's the meaning of median AD, sir? It means a BD equals to CD, no? It means BD equals to CD, sir. Median AD means BD equals to CD. Okay, so they've given here AD is median. AD is median. It means BD equals to CD. Therefore, what we get, bacha? PR equals to QR. And let's check what they were asking. What they were asking us, sir? Bisects. Okay, prove that the median AD bisects what, bacha? PQ. Bisects PQ. It means R is the midpoint. Okay, it means PR equals to QR. So therefore, R bisects PQ. This is what we have to prove. R bisects PQ. Please have a look. I know a little messy. We had a little less space, so I tried to fix and fit it all over here. Little messy, but I'll explain the question once again if you want me to. Check this out. They had given us this triangle with PQ is parallel to BC. Okay. Now they said that D is also a midpoint. Why? Because AD is the median. So it means BD equals to CD. From the first triangle, bacha, with a big triangle, we got that APQ and ABC are similar. Okay. Why, sir? Because angle P equals to angle B, angle Q equals to angle C. Okay. So from there we got AP by AB equals to AQ by AC. Equation number 1. Equation 2 we got in triangle APR and ABD. AP by AB equals to PR by BD. Okay. Now in the third one we got, bacha, AQ by AC equals to QR by CD. Over here. From using all the three equations we got, sir, PR by BD equals to QR by CD because these two are equal over here. We know that BD and CD are equal because of the DS midpoint. If this is equal means this has to be also equal. It means PR equals to QR, hence R bisects the line PQ. R bisects the line PQ. Okay, we have to prove that bisects PQ. Chaliye. Okay, so question number 26 is done. Moving with question number 27. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 18 and the sum of their reciprocal is 9 by 40. Find the numbers. Let's have a look. Sum is 18, right? Means let's say my first number is x, okay? First number is x means what, bacha? The other number is 18 minus x. Yes, now the first number is x means the other number is 18 minus x, sir. They're saying the sum of their reciprocal. From the question statement, according to the question, we have 1 by x plus 1 by 18 minus x equals to 9 by 40. Chaliye, let's continue over here. The LCM is, sir, x times of 18 minus x. How much is that, sir? 18 minus x plus x equals to 9 by 40. X and x is gone. What we have? 18 by 18x minus x square equals to 9 by 40. 9 2s are 18. What we get here? Cross multiply. 40 into 2 equals to 18x minus x square. Bring this everything over on this side. So x square will become positive. This will become negative minus 18x. And this will become what, bacha? 14 into 2 is going to be plus 80. Factorize this number, we get minus 18 we need. Which formula? Which process? Split the middle term. So minus 10 and minus 8 we can write, bacha. So x square minus 10x minus 8x plus 80. Factorize this, please. What are you getting, sir? X minus 10 and x minus 8. What is the answer, sir? X is either 10 or 8. Okay, if x is 10 means the other number will be 8. So basically the two numbers are 2. Therefore the two numbers are, what is it, sir? The two numbers are simply 10 and 8. If the x is 10 means other number is 8. If x is 8 means other number is 10. Basically the same thing, no? 10 or 8 or 8 or 10. You write that. So the two numbers are 10, 8. Have a look. Simple question. Again for 3 marker only. Okay. Chaliye. Moving on to question number 28. If alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial 6x square minus 5x plus 1, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given by alpha square and beta square. Alpha square and beta square. A simple question. Let's have a look. How can they solve it? So, bacha, we know this. If you know the zeros, it means we can find the product and the sum of the zeros. So, let's write this polynomial first. 6x square minus 5x plus 1. They've given alpha and beta are zeros. It means we can find the sum. Alpha plus beta. How much is that, sir? 5 by 6. है ना? Minus b by a. B itself is minus 5 means minus of minus 5. So plus 5 by 6. Alpha into beta. C by a. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now they're saying that there's other polynomial which has the zeros as this term. Now what is that going to be? So let's say sum will be what, bacha? It will be alpha square plus beta square. Sum will be alpha square plus beta square, the sum of the zeros. Okay. There's a formula for this, if you remember this. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Not sure? Do the expansion. Alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Subtract that. What is left, sir? Only this part, right? Chaliye. So what is this value given here as? 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 times of, what is it? 1 by 6. How much is that, sir? So 25 by 66. 25 by 36, okay. 25, 5 square 25 by 36 minus 2 by 6. Take the LCM, please. 36 is the LCM, sir. 25 remains as here. 6 into 6 is this, so minus 12. What is the answer, sir? 13 by 36. 13 by 36 is my sum. The sum is given as alpha square plus beta square. Let's look at the product, bacha. The product of zeros will be, sir, this thing only, alpha square into beta square. How much is that? Alpha beta the whole square or not? What is alpha into beta? 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 square. How much is that? 1 by 36. What's the formula to get any quadratic polynomial? Standard form, sir. When the sum and the product is given, x square minus s times of x plus p. Check this out. X square minus, what is the sum, bacha? The sum is going to be this value, 13 by 36 plus p, sir, 1 by 36. So simplify this, 36 x square minus 13 x plus 1. This is your answer. You don't have to write the 1 by 36 part, okay? You're looking for only polynomial. This is the answer. Have a look. 36x square minus 13x plus 1 is the required polynomial px, whose zeros are, what's the alpha square plus beta square, alpha square and beta square. But the sum I got it as 13 by 6. Have a look. Okay, good question. 28th is done. Moving with the next question, which is 29. Okay, I hope you learned here. I hope you learned this question. No doubts whatsoever in this. 28 is done. Bacha, 29 now. Okay, let's have a look. If cos theta plus sin theta is 1, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is plus minus 1. Can a question get simpler than this? Sir, it looks confusing. There's no square. Okay, no problem, bacha. We're gonna make square. Okay, chaliye. What they've given, sir? They've given this, right? Is 1 whole square, this on both sides. Take the whole square on both sides. Check the magic now. We get here, sir, cos square theta plus sin square theta, a square b square plus 2ab, right? So 2 times of sin theta cos theta is equal to 1, sir. What is this value, bacha? This value is nothing but 1, sir. From the identity, sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 1. 1 and 1 is cancelled. What is the answer, bacha? 2 sin theta cos theta is 0. Now what we need? We need cos minus sin, right? So let's write that. Cos theta minus sin theta. 1 second. Okay. Cos minus sin theta, right? The whole square. The whole square. What's the value of this, bacha? Cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, है ना? A square b square minus 2ab. Okay, so minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Keep it as it is. Cos theta minus sin theta, the whole square. How much is this value, sir? Again the identity 1. Cos square plus sin square is again 1. Minus, what is this value, bacha? 0. This value you got, na? 0, sir. So right here, bacha, 0. So cos theta minus sin theta equals to 1. Okay. So the whole square is equals to 1, bacha. Sorry. It means, what we get, sir? What do we get, sir? We get here cos theta minus sin theta equals to plus minus root of 1. How much is that? Simply equals to plus minus 1. This was the result we are looking for. Have a look. It means hence proved, sir. Hence proved, sir. Simple or not? Very, very, very simple. Question number 29 is done. Okay, let's move on with question number 30. Let's move on to that. But before if you have anything else to ask, let me know in the comment section. Okay, right away. But mention, bacha, question number. Let's say you want to ask something about question number 29. Let me know. Mention question number 29 and then ask it out. Okay. Chaliye, moving on to question number 30 now. The minute hand of a wall clock is 18 centimeter long. Find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand in 35 minutes. Chaliye. So first we'll do the part A only. Okay. Part A itself. Let's just do that. Part A, bacha. Minute hand, right? 60 minutes. Minute hand goes how much angle, sir? This much angle, 360 degrees. In 1 hour or 60 minutes, the minute hand moves by the angle of 360 degrees. Okay. So in 1 minute, what will be the angle moved? 1 minute. This by this, so 6 degrees. Have a look. In 1 minute, 6 degrees. 60 minutes, 360 degrees. 1 minute, 6 degrees. what we have? 35 minutes. 6 into 35 degrees. Okay, now let's find the area. Area of, if you check this out, this is a clock, right? Minute hand is, let's say, over here. It'll move like this only, no? So it'll make a sector, right, with this angle. What angle, sir? We got the angle over here, 6 into 35. Okay, so we'll get the area of this sector as the required area made by or served by the minute hand will be given by theta. This is theta, right? 6 into 35 degrees divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square, what is the value, bacha? We know this. 6 into 35 by 360, 22 by 7 into r. How much is r, sir? Length of the minute hand is what's up, bacha? 18, right? 18 square. Have a look. 7 5s are 35. We get here 6 6s are. So what is we getting now? So we get here, check this out. 6 10s are 60. And what is this, bacha? 18 square, right? So I can write this as 18 into 18, no? Okay, I can write 18 square as 18 into 18. Take that out. Okay, 1 second. So 6 3s are 18. Okay, chaliye, let's multiply this also. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times 11 we are getting. 1 second. 2 times 11 we are getting. What is left now? Check this out. We have only 11 left, 3 left and 18 left. Have a look. We have only these numbers left. 11, 3 and 18. 5 with 10 we cancel to 2. 2 and 22 we cancel with 11. What are we getting, sir? My area is coming as, so my required area is coming as 11 times of 18 3s are 54, right? Okay. The answer will be, bacha, 594. Have a look. 54 into 54 with 11, right? So 495. So what is the answer, sir? 594. Unit is centimeter, right? Centimeter square. Area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. The angle we got with the help of this angle calculation, 6 into 35 degrees. I did not write it because I have to cancel anyway. Okay, so check this out. The value is 594 centimeter square for part A. Good question. Okay, moving on to part B. Better than the part A question. Much better. Okay, chaliye. AB is a chord of a circle centered at O. AB is a chord centered with O. The circle center is at O. AOB is 60 degrees. AOB is 60 degrees. Okay. It means what, bacha? It means this is 60, so this is also 60. How come, sir? Because, bacha, this is radius, right? This also is radius, no? So they have to be isosceles. It means this is 60 means sum is 120. The remaining angle have to distribute it half and half. So this angle AOB becomes actually equilateral. Okay, chaliye. So we're looking for OA is, so radius is given as 14. They've given the radius as 14 for the part B. Have a look. Radius is given as 14 centimeters, right? Yeah. Okay. Find the area of the minor segment. This part. That's a segment, right? That's a segment. Okay. Not visible. Chaliye, I can do better than that. This is what they're asking. Area of minor segment is this value, bacha. Okay. How can you find that? Area of the sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Right? So the required area, I can write here. The required area is given by, so area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. How do area of sector, bacha? You're gonna write this as, check this out. So what is the angle, sir? 60 degree. So 60 by 360, theta by 360 into pi r square. So into pi, what is r, sir? 14 square. Minus area of triangle, sir. What type of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle, right? So root 3 by 4 a square. Formula of the equilateral triangle, sir. Root 3 by 4 a square. What is the a, sir? Side, bacha, 14 only. How, sir? All sides are equal, right? So r. So 14 only. So 14 square. Have a look. I can go ahead, cancel this out. So it'll be 6, bacha. So I get here this as 22 by 7 into 6 into 14 square minus root 3 by 4 14 square. Okay, I can take something common, I'll do that, but right now let's cancel something. So we have here as 3 11. Okay, so my required area becomes have a look, 11 into 14 square by 21. So basically 11 by 21 into 14 square minus root 3 by 4 into 14 square. Check this out. Root of 4 into 14 square, 11 by 21 into 14 square. Let's take something common. We can take some 14 square common. What we getting? 11 by 21 minus root 3 by 4. What we have, sir? 14 square into, what is LCM, sir? 21 and 4 LCM is 84, bacha. Okay, so 11 into 4, right? So 44 minus 4 into 21 is 84, right? It means 21 root 3. Okay, 14 into 14 is 14 square. Okay, we get here 44 minus 21 root 3 divided by, what is it, sir? 84, bacha. 14 sevens are 84. Okay, and 14 6 is 84, right? 14 6 is 84. Okay, and we get here as 2 3s are and 2 7s are. What I'm getting, sir? 7 by 3 times of 44 minus 21 root 3. They're given the root 3 value as 1.73. Now we'll use it. Okay, 1.73 into 21. Let's multiply this. So 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7, and 1 over here, 6, 4 and 3. Correct? Add it. So we have 3. Okay, excuse me, I think I forgot it here. Okay, 3, right? 3 1 3 6 14 and yeah, 3. So correct, and 7 plus 6 is 13, carries 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 is 6, 36.33. So decimal, bacha, will be 2 decimal points. So we get here as 7 by 3. Okay, 44 minus 36.33. Okay, chaliye subtract this from 44. What is the value, bacha? 7 times by 3 times of, this will be, sir, 7 6. Okay, and then we have here 13, so again 7, sir. Okay, this will become 3, no? So 13 minus 6 is 7, will become again 3. That is it, 7.67. Okay, so we have to multiply this by 7 and divide again with 3. Let's multiply this. 7 6 7 by 7. So 7 6 7 by 7. 7 7s are 49. So 9 is here, carries 4. 7 6 are 42 plus 4 is 46, carries 4 again. 7 7s are 49 plus 4 is 53. Have a look at once again. 7 7s are 49, carries 4. Okay, and 42 plus 4 is 46 plus 4 and 49 plus 4 53. So we get here 53.69 by 3. Decimal is 53.69 by 3. Let's calculate this. 3 ones are 3. Okay, we have here, and then bacha, what we have, if I want I can write it like this also, 100. 3 ones are 3, we have, then 2, so 3 7s are 21 we have. Okay, then we have 2 again, 3 is a 24 we have, 2 again, 3 9 are 27 we have, and we have bacha again this as 6, this is a 28 by 100. My value is coming as 17.896. Okay, so the value of the required area is simply coming as 17.896 centimeters square. Okay, this is 17.89, you can write. Okay, centimeter square is the answer, the final answer. Have a look. 17.896 centimeter square is the final answer for the part B, area of sector. Okay, this is the answer, sir. Okay, please have a look. 17.896. Little bit calculative, but what can you do? You have to do it anyway. If you want, you can do it over here also. But why I chose this method? Because it avoids the chances of making mistake. Okay, that's why I've taken it longer and not, because my choice is no. I try to make the decimal calculation at the end. This gives me, you know, that I have more steps right. Let's have a look. Question number 30 part B is done. 30 part A answer is over here, right? 30 part A answer is over here. and part B answer is over there 17.89 centimeters square. Both of them are, I think, areas only. Yes. So 30 is done. Moving on to 31. Prove that the root 3 is an irrational number. A very good question. Please have a look. How you solve that, bacha? 3 marker. Okay. Root 3 irrational number. How are we gonna do this? First, assume it to be rational. Whenever you have this kind of question, assume the number to be rational. So we'll take this root 3 is a rational number. Means what? It'll be of the form P by Q. It'll be of the form P by Q. That's how you define rational number. And P and Q are co-prime. Means no other factor than 1. What it means, bacha? No other common factor than 1. That's the definition of the rational number P and Q. Cross multiply this, we get this as root 3Q equals to P. Square it up, what we get over here is 3Q square equals to P square. Okay. So what it means, bacha? It means that, check this out, I can write like this, P square equals to 3Q square. What it means, sir? It means 3 divides P square, hai na? 3 is a factor of P square. So 3 divides P square. It means what, bacha? 3 divides P also, na? Think about it. 3 divides P square, right? Over here, 3Q square is there, no? It means 3 will be a factor of P square. So 3 divides P square and 3 divides P as well, okay? With that known, we can write, bacha, what? Check this out. P as another number, we can use 3K. P divides, so means, bacha, 3 is a factor of P. I can write this P as 3K, okay? Again, square it up over here. We get, sir, P square equals to 9K square. We have the value of P square from here. 3Q square equals to 9K square. Cancel here, sir. 3 3s are 9. So what I'm getting, sir? Q square equals to 3K square. What it gives us? 3 divides Q square. Therefore, 3 divides Q as well. Hai na? 3 divides Q square. Check this out. 3 is a factor of Q square. It means 3 divides Q also. So what we're getting, bacha? Therefore, 3 is a common factor of P and Q. How come, sir? 3 divides P over here, 3 divides Q over here. It means 3 is a common factor of P and Q. Can it be possible? No, sir. No other factor than 1. Okay. Which is a contradiction? It is a contradiction. Okay. To our assumption. Assumption that, what is the assumption, bacha? That root 3 is rational. Hence, or therefore, we can say that actually, once we chose this as an assumption, root 3 is rational, we are getting a contradiction, right? Because they are saying that clearly P and Q cannot have any other factor than 1, and we are getting 3 as a common factor. It means that's a contradiction, right? It means root 3 is not a rational number. This contradiction came after our assumption. It means our assumption is wrong. Okay, the root 3 is not a rational number or irrational number. Irrational number. How can we say that? Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is incorrect. Okay, our assumption is incorrect. We chose it to be rational, but we are not getting the result accordingly. We are getting this as a contradiction. It means this is going to be a assumption will be incorrect. Hence, the root 3 is going to be a irrational number. Clear? Let's have a look. Okay, bacha. So I hope so far it is good. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 31 is done. Now the last category is section number D. Not last, second last actually. The 5 marker category is section D. We have to solve 5 marker questions over here. Then we'll move on and solve the case study as well. Okay, chaliye. So let's look at this. Question number 32 part A. Solve the following system of linear equations. Graphically, x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. So let's plot the graph, bacha. Salvi. So if we plot the graphs, I'll try to plot it roughly only. This I'm doing, bacha, for part A. For part A. Okay. First curve. X plus 2y equal to 3. So write it over here. X plus 2y equal to, what do we have? 3. So first thing is make this table. Okay. Take x as 0. You're gonna get x as 0 means y is going to be 3 by 2. Next, bacha, what? Take y as 0. X is going to be 3. You can take more than that. Okay, you can take more than that also. You can take x as 1, y will be 1. Right now x is 1, it will become y is 1. Okay, so that also is okay, but I am going to take only these two to plot the graphs. Okay, 0, 3 by 2, somewhere over here. 0, 3 by 2. Okay, and the other line is 3, 0, right? The other point is 3, 0, somewhere over here. So join these two lines, these 2 points actually. What is the curve? Write the name of the curve. So x plus 2y equal to 3. Let's look at the other curve now. We have 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Take here, sir. Again, same thing, we have to make the table. Take x as 0, bacha. What is y value, sir? Y value will be, bacha, 8 by 3, no? You have to bring this thing on this side. It become 3y equals to 8, so 8 by 3. Okay. Now the other one, sir, is going to be, bacha, have a look. If you take this y as 0, it will become x will be minus 4. Minus 4. X will be minus 4. Okay. If you want, you can take more points. Okay. But y, I'll give you one more point anyway. Because, bacha, this is okay to plot. 1 by 2, no? This is, sorry, 3 by 2 means 1.5. You can plot it over here. But this will be difficult. 8 by 3 is a recurring number, right? So difficult to plot this. So I'll take one more number. What I can take, sir? Let me take x equals to, if I take 1, or minus 1 if I take. X equals to minus 1 if I take, bacha. So it will be minus 2 and it will become 6. So minus 2, right? X equals to minus 1 if you take. If you take x equals to minus 1, it will become minus 2. Plus 8 will make what, bacha? Plus 6. So it will be simply, sir, 2. It will be simply, sir, 2. Somewhere over here the point will be. Okay. So minus 1 will be somewhere over here. And so the points we have is minus 4, 0. Somewhere like this, minus 4, 0. Okay. And the other point will be like this, somewhere here. Okay. I can draw the line like this, sir. Okay, and then you actually name this line. What's the name of this line, bacha? 2x minus 3y plus 8. Okay, so this point will come actually as minus 1, 2 only, the point of intersection. Check this out. Minus 1, 2, put it here. Minus 1 will become, bacha, 3. Okay, so minus 1, yeah. Put here x is minus 1. It will become this side, if you bring it over, it will become plus 1, so plus 4, y will be 2, sir. Okay, so this point over here having the coordinate p as minus 1, 2 is nothing but the solution from the graphical method. Okay, so what the point I've taken over here directly is nothing but the solution also. Okay, so I'll write it over here. Solution is given as the point p minus 1, 2. The x value is minus 1 and y value is 2. You have to plot this actually on the graph paper, okay, with everything to be up to the scale. Take a proper scale and plot it. Okay, I think scale is good enough. 1 centimeter is 1 unit is good enough. Okay, why I have not taken this value 8 by 3? Because this is a recurring number, sir. Okay, recurring number will not be able to, you will not be able to plot it that easily. That's why I have taken another data over here, another point over here as minus 1, 2. Okay, so when you plot these 2 points, to draw any line you need at least 2 points, right? You can take more than 2 also. Try to take 3. Try to take another number over here also and over here as well. Try to take 3 numbers, 3 points. It will be more easier to represent the graph. Okay, but I think 2 is more than enough. When you do that, and bacha, please make sure that your lines are very straight. Okay, and darker as well. It should not be light, otherwise you lose marks. Okay, in graph it has to be represented by the graph only. The question, mention the equation of the line, and everything should be mentioned very, very clearly. Sorry, this has to be equal to 0. Okay. So like that you have to mention and show the point. This is the solution. Okay, minus 1, 2 is the solution. I mentioned it over here. Have a look. So part A is done for 5 marker. This is a 5 marker question. Very, very important. Now moving on to part B. places A and B are 180 kilometer apart on a highway. One car starts at A from A, for another from B at the same time. Okay, if the car travels in the same direction, means they move in the same direction, different speeds, they meet in 9 hours. Okay, when they travel towards each other, means opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. Okay, chali. So let's draw the this thing. Just to understand, we have this situation as flowcharts. We'll draw. This is the point A and B. Let's say the distance is given as 180 kilometers. If I'm not wrong, they're starting at the same point, going like this in the same direction. Okay. Yeah, the point A and B 180 kilometer apart. Okay. So let the speed of car A as bacha x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour, and the speed of car B as y kilometers per hour. That is okay, right? That much is okay. Chaliye. So they are starting at the same point and they travel for 9 hours, right? So when they were moving in same direction and they are meeting after 9 hours, it means what? This A has to go faster than B. Correct, na? This A has to go faster than B, then only they can meet ever. Otherwise, if let's say the B is going faster, it'll keep moving away and away. They'll never meet. This A has to be faster. Okay. So in same direction, they're meeting after 9 hours. Meeting after 9 hours. It means in 9 hours, they have to reach a point. Okay, like this. So distance traveled by car A. Car A. How much is that, sir? Speed into time. How much is that, sir? So speed is x, sir, and time is 9. So 9. So 9x kilometers. Right? Same way, distance traveled by car B. How much is that, sir? 9 into y, na? 9 into y kilometers. So car A travels how much distance, bacha? Which is more? Distance by car A is more or car B is more? Car A is more by how much margin? By 180, because car B is over here moving from this side. Let's say they meet at this point. They meet at this point, okay? Let's call this point to be P. The car B went only this distance and car A went from here to here. It means, sir, car A has gone 180 kilometer extra distance. So basically what it means is 9x is nothing but 9y plus 18. Sorry, 180. So from here you can get bacha 9x minus 9y equals to 180. So we get here x minus y equals to 2. Equation number 1. How come, sir? Take 9 common, divide with this side, will become not 2, sorry, 20. 20, okay? Take 9 common, divide here with 180, you're gonna get 20 only, right? So first is done. Second condition is what? When they travel towards each other. Like this. They start going from here. This is point A, this is point B. Going like this. It means that they're meeting again in 1 hour, okay? So if I write distance traveled in 1 hour, distance traveled in 1 hour now. Check this out, in 1 hour now. Okay? Speed is same, right? They have mentioned here. Same speed as before. Okay. Chaliye. So will be bacha what? So for car A you'll have x into 1. So same thing, x only. So x kilometers. And car B will go y into 1. So simply say y kilometers. And we know that's that distance between. So they're meeting, right? It means this x plus y has to be what, bacha? 180 only, right? They're meeting, no? Means half a distance, whatever the distance. So A, let's say, went from here to here. And B went from here to here. It means distance between this will become what, bacha? This is, let's say, x. This is, let's say, y. X plus y has to be what? Total distance 180. Okay? Correct only, no? Total distance has to be 180. So distance traveled by A and B together will be what, bacha? 180 only. So equation 1 and 2 we have, add them. Add equation 1 and 2. If you add equation 1 and 2, add 1 and 2. What are you getting, bacha? Y and y will cancel. Minus y plus y will be cancelled. X plus x will become 2x equals to 180 plus 20. 200. From here what we get? We get x as 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, X is 100 km per hour. What about Y, sir? Difference is 20, no? Means Y has to be 80. So basically, bacha, Y will be 80 kilometers per hour, and we already got X as 100 kilometers per hour. The speed of the two cars is what? 100 km per hour, 80 km per hour. Please check. This is the final answer. 100 and 80 km per hour is the final answer. I can rewrite this. Okay, 1 second. This is 80, sir. 80 km per hour. This is 100 km per hour. Okay, the answer is written over here. Please have a look. Okay, chali. The faster car is traveling at a speed of 100 km per hour. The slower car is traveling at a speed of 80 km per hour. Please have a look. Okay, this is clear. Okay, 32 part B. This is part of part B. Okay, this is the part B's answer. This was the part A answer. Okay, over here. Let's move on with the next question. This is clear, right? Okay. Question number 33. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Using above result, bacha, okay, we have to use that result once we prove that from the external point. Find the length of BC. We have to find the length of this side BC. Given that we have AB as 10, AQ as 7, CQ as 5. Okay, how can we use the property over here? Check this out. This is a circle, right? From this point B, I have two tangents drawn, BP and BR. Okay, so BP will be equal to BR, so as CQ equals to CP and AQ equals to AR. Great, sir. Chaliye. So let's have a look. What we're getting, sir? First, we have to prove that length of the tangents drawn from the external point is equal. So let's draw a circle for that. Like this, we have a point. This is center. We have a point over here outside. Given, I can take this tangent like this, bacha. Just don't mind my figure. Over here, I get this radius, sir. This also is the radius. Okay. So what we have to prove that if this is the point P and this is the point A and B, we need to prove that PA equals to PB. PA equals to PB. The construction point has to be, bacha, join this line OP, OA and OB. Okay. This is the construction, sir. What's the construction, bacha? Join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Okay. Chaliye. So what is we have to prove, sir? We have to prove, bacha, this. We have to prove, sir. To prove is, have a look, is AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. This length AP and BP, which are the tangent length, has to be equal, proven. Okay, chaliye. From here, what we can say first of all, so let's check this. I can prove it over here only, this side. Let's look at the given condition that we have. What's the given condition, sir? Okay, we don't need to write the given condition, we can write directly. Okay, chaliye, let's write the proof directly, bacha. Okay, 1 second, sir. Given is that PA and PB are tangents, okay, nothing else. We have to prove this thing equal. So we'll take proof, bacha. Now check this out. Triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Triangle OAP and triangle OAP and OBP. OBP. OAP and OBP, right? So if you check this clearly, you have OP common side. OP is common. Okay, OA equals to OB. OA is equal to OB, sir, because they are radiuses. Right now, OA and OB are both radiuses. Also, we have this, bacha, angle here. This angle and this angle are equal. How come, sir? Because, bacha, radius and the tangent are always perpendicular. Okay, so angle OAP equals to angle OBP. है ना? OAP equals to angle OBP. चलिए. Okay, so what we can write from there? We can write that triangle OAP is congruent with the triangle OBP. What property will hold, sir? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse is this, and the side which is coming as radius. Which property is true? RHS. We have here as RHS. R HS. I hope this is clear. चलिए, so we have RHS proven, means this congruency is true. After that I can write directly बच्चा PA equals to PB. PA equals to PB. What's the reason बच्चा? The reason is simply CPCT. CPCT. PA equals to PB because corresponding parts of congruent triangle. चलिए, so once this is done, so we have proven what we were looking for. Check this out, AP and BP or PA PB true. Okay, now we have to prove, we have to find the length of BC, sir. Okay, so same property we're going to use from external point. If you draw two tangents to the circle, both of the lengths will be equal. For that reason we'll have bacha, we'll have so we have AQ given, right? So we'll have AQ, we are looking for the part 2 now. This figure that is given here, AQ equals to AR. Okay, from there we can write bacha BR equals to AB minus AR. AB minus AR. What is AR value? AQ is given 10. Sorry, AQ is given 7, right? So it will be coming as 10 minus 7. How much is that? 3 centimeters. So we are getting bacha BR is 3 centimeters. Chaliye, BR is 3 centimeter. Now same way, what is going to be bacha? They have also given length of CQ. Length of CQ, please check here. CQ is given. CQ will be equal to CP. Same property, no? From the external point C, we have two tangents CQ and CP. They'll be equal. Okay, so equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, we also know that BR is equals to BP. So right here, BP equals to BR equals to 3 centimeters. Okay, now we can write bacha the length BC, the side of the triangle BC, as BP plus PC or CP. What is BP, sir? BP is 3, CP is 5. So 3 plus 5. Hence my value for the length of BC is coming simply as 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Please have a look. Is this question difficult? Of course not. This is not a difficult question. This is very, very, very simple. The proof has been asked. We did it. Okay. Simple proof from the help of congruency. Question number 2033 is done. Okay. Moving with the next question, 34th. I hope this is clear. Please have a look once again. Now I'm going to move on to question number 34. A boy whose eye level is 1.3 meters from the ground. What it means? Means my eye level is here. From the ground where I'm standing, the eye level is 1.35 meters. Okay. Spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line. Okay. Let's say this is the position of balloon, bacha. He is spotting from here. Okay. This is going to be the line of sight. All right. Let's call this to be point A. This to be point B. Where is the ground, sir? Where is the ground? Ground is 1.35 meters here. 1.35 meters is the ground. This is the natural level. This is where the ground is. Okay. Chali. Now the balloon is moving, right? The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the boy at this instant is 60 degrees. Means this value is how much, sir? 60 degrees. Okay. After 12 seconds, the angle of elevation reduces. Means balloon is moving away, right? So over here, let's say, move to position C. The angle of elevation is changed to this value. Now, how much is that? This is bacha 30 degrees. Okay. So we have two right angle triangles over here. Let's check this out. The triangles are like this. Okay. Chali. So they have given that it has taken 12 seconds, right? It has taken 12 seconds of time, and the speed is also given. Speed of the wind is also given as 3 meters per second. Speed here is given as 3 meters per second. What is the distance, bacha? Speed into time. Distance will be speed multiple time. How much is that? 12 into 3. Check the units. Meter per second, second. So 36 meters simply. This value over here is 36 meters. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Assume this length to be x. I can do that, and this to be height h. Okay, this to be height h. Great, sir. So same height will be over here. I can apply in triangle. So let's call this points to be P and Q. So let's apply in the triangle APB first. Triangle APB first. What we get, bacha? Tan 60, right? Or will I use 30? 60 is this is the angle of elevation for this triangle bacha. 30 is for the bigger triangle. Yes na? Okay, so tan 60 equals to the value h, the opposite which is h, upon the adjacent which is x. So what is tan 60? Root 3 h by x. Can I find x value from here? Yes sir. X value will be simply h upon root 3. This is equation number 1. X is equals to h upon root 3. Okay. Now we will apply in the triangle BCQ or BQC. Triangle BQC. What's the angle of elevation in this case? 30 degrees. Okay. So tan 30 will use opposite. The height h remains same, right? Same. Okay. All right. Because the flow is horizontal. Okay. So it will be bacha h upon, what is the length now? What is the adjacent length? This is h. The opposite adjacent length is this total value, 36 plus x, right? This was the distance traveled in that 12 seconds with the speed of the wind to be 3 meters per second. 36 meters, this length I have assumed to be x, okay? Total will be what bacha? So x plus 36. Tan 30 is how much, sir? 1 by root 3 h upon x plus 36, cross multiply here. X plus 36 equals to h root 3. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Subtract equation 2 and 1. So write like this, equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtract this, x plus 36 minus x, LHS side. Look at only LHS side. X plus 36 minus x, how much is that? Simply 36. RHS side, sir, h root 3 minus h by root 3. Take h common, bacha. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, I can simplify this on this side. 36 equals to h times of 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Okay, cross multiply here. 36 root 3 h equal into 2, right? Cancel this with 2 with this, 18, right? I'm getting here h as 18 root 3 meters. Okay, meters only, but they have given the value of root 3 as 1.73. 1.73. So we're going to use it over here. 18 times of 1.73. Let's multiply, bacha. 173 and 18. So we have 24 carries 2. 8 7 is 56 plus 2 is 58. Carries 5. 8 ones are 8 plus 5 is 13, right? 24, 4, 2 is carry, 56 plus 2, 58 plus 5 is 13. This is 3 bacha, 7 and 1, we get here 4, 1, okay, and okay, 1, okay, and 3, correct na? 4, 8, 3 plus 3 is 11, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 13. We have two decimal places, so 31.14. 31.14 meters is the value of h. What are they asking? Are they asking this value? Please check. They are asking the height of the balloon. So this point A only, but from the ground. So we have to add this value because we have got only this value, right? From here, we've got only AP value, the h value. We have to add 1.3 meters, 35 meters, the eyesight level of the boy. So the required height of the balloon is going to be h plus 1.35 meters, 31.14 plus 1.35. I'm gonna get this as 5 plus 4 is 9, 4, okay, and 2, 3. Correct, no? 31.14, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 and 5, 4 plus 4 is 9. So meters, 32.49 meters is the required height. Please cross check. Please cross check. If you're getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section. But right now, your height is coming as 32.49 meters. Okay, please check. I've tried not to make any mistake, but if I have, let me know. So I'll show you from the beginning again. Have a look. Question number 34. I hope this is clear. Yes. Over here. Yes. Okay, let's move on. Question number 35. Find the mean and median of the following data. Okay, let's have a look, bacha. So I think this would be OR option. Yeah, OR is written over here. We'll solve OR later. Let's go back to solving the question number 35 first part, mean and median. So for mean, I'm going to use what, bacha? I'm going to use the method of subdivision. Let's do that, okay? Because I'll have a lot of decimal places. Yeah, so let's just do that quickly. It'll help me out with the calculation. It makes my life easier. Okay, so look, I'll tell you one thing. If nothing is mentioned now, if you can find the multiplication very simple, use direct method. Otherwise, if nothing is mentioned, use step deviation. It makes the calculation very easier. Okay, and no chances of, very limited chances of making any mistake. Chaliye, so let's write bacha class interval over here. We have to make a big table. Class interval. So 85 to 90 goes all the way to 115. So 90 to 95, 100, 100 to 105. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Yes. We have here 105 to 110, 110 to 115. Chali. This is clear. Now we need sir frequency. So we'll write frequency over here. What is frequency, bacha? So we have 15, 22, 20, 18, 20 and 25. Alright, so we need the class mark. So let's write that value as well. Xi value will write. What's the class mark, sir? Class mark will be half of this, right? Sum of this plus by 2. So 90 plus 85 by 2. Okay, it should come as 87.5. Okay, what about this? 92.5. What about this? 97.5 and 102.5. This is 107.5. Excuse me, and 112.5. So there's total of 6. Okay, so I can take any of them. Let me take this value as my A. This is my A value. Okay, to find the deviation. So let's look, bacha. If I find the deviation first, I'm gonna get this minus this, right? So I'll have 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, and yeah, so 12 minus 7 is going to be what, sir? 5, 15 only, right? Minus 15, this will become, bacha, minus 10, minus 5, 0. Over here I'll have 5, over here I'll have 10. Di is done. Let's look for ui. What is ui, bacha? Ui is going to be di by h. What is di, sir? Xi minus a, right? Di is xi minus a. Di is xi minus a. What is ui, bacha? Ui is di upon h. What is h value, bacha? Check this out. Class size. So 5. Class size is 5. 85 to 90, 90 to 95. Class size is 5. Okay. So ui will be what, sir? Divide by 5. So minus 3 here, minus 2 here, minus 1. 0 by anything will be 0, 1 and 2. Last is what, sir? Fi ui. Multiply this. 15 into 3. So minus 45. Minus 44. I have 20 into minus 1. So minus 20. This is 0. 1 into 20 is simply 20. Okay. And this is 50, sir. Okay. This is 50, sir. Great, bacha. So this is Fi ui. We'll also need to find median, right? So let me just quickly write here CF also. For median, we need the class, cumulative frequency. So let's just write that as well. We have here 15. Frequency check, 15 here plus 22. So 7 here and 37. Okay. We have 20 also. So 57 here. Right? Plus 18. So 7, 8 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 75. Plus 20 is 95. Plus 25 will be 120, right? Correct, na? 120, sir. Please check this out. 95 plus 25 is 100 plus 20 is 120. Okay. All right. Let's find the mean first. So we have to find Fi ui, sigma Fi ui. Sum of Fi ui will be given by 20, and this will be cancelled. 1 second. This and this can be cancelled. 20 and minus 20. Right. Okay, now we have 50 and here I have 45, so minus plus 5 I have this 50 and this 45 negative. I'll have plus 5, so minus 44 plus 5 will make minus 39. Hai? Check this out. You're not sure, add all of them, add all the negative numbers and then positive numbers and find their answer. You can get this as minus 39. Okay, sigma Fi is how much, bacha? Sigma Fi is same as this value, 120. Okay, let's find the mean on this side first. So mean is given by, we know the formula, step deviation formula is given by L plus sorry, not L, A, right? L is in the median. A plus, have a look, assuming that we had A value plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H, है ना? What is A value, sir? 102.5, 102.5 plus what we have, बच्चा? We have this side as minus 39 by 120 into 5. I can do the calculation on this side, so let me just solve it over here. We get, bacha, x bar equals to 102.5 minus 39 by 120 into 5. This is what I have. Check this out. Plus and minus will become negative only. Same thing I've written over there. Okay. So 5 times of 24 will be 120. 3 times of 8 over here, and 3 times of 13 over there. What I have so far, x bar equals to 102.5 minus 13 by 8. 102.5 minus 13 by 8 is how much? Let's do with 8 division to 13. 8 ones are 8, carry is 5. Check this out. Difference is what, sir? 5. 5 0 will become 50. So 8 6 are 48. Not sure? Do the division. Do the division, bacha. No problem. Like this I'm doing, okay, in my mind. Okay. So if you do this, you get 5 now for the first time. So 8 6 are 48. We have 2 now. It will become 20 because of the decimal. So 8 2 are 16. We have 4 now. 16 20. So it will become 40. 8 5s are 40. Not sure? Do the division. Okay. But you should be able to do this, bacha. This is very, very important. Very simple, right? You should be able to do this. If not, I'm doing the same division in my mind, nothing else. Okay. Chaliye. Subtraction. So we have to write it like this: 102.500 minus 1.625. Check the answer coming here. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 6. 14 minus 6 will be 8. This becomes 1 now. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. What is there? 0. And 1. This is, bacha, the value of mean, sir. 100.875 is the value of the mean for the given frequency distribution table. Okay. Chaliye. Now what we have to find? Median as well. Okay. For the median we have the formula, if you remember. For the median we have this formula is given by L, the lower limit of the median class, plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into H. What is the lower limit, bacha? So we have to find first n by 2 value. This is n, right? N is 120. So what is n by 2, bacha? N by 2 will be 60. N is the total frequency. So 60 is the n by 2 value. Contained here easily 75. So first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. This is my median class. Correct, na? The median class is given as, median class is 100 to 105, right? 100 to 105. Check this out. So right here, lower limit of that is 100. N by 2 is simply 60. Cf, cumulative frequency of the class before the median class. So 757. F, what is that, bacha? Frequency of the median class. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 18, sir. Into H, so 5, bacha. Okay, let's have a look. 100 I'm getting over here, plus this is 3 by 18 into 5. Class size is 5 only. Yes. 3 6 is 18. What I'm getting, sir? 100 plus 5 by 6, right? So I have to do this with the decimal point. Point will come, will make 50. 6 8 ja 48. We have 2 there. So 2 0 20, 6 3 ja 18 again. Okay. So then again it will come 2. Okay. Keep going like this. It will be value, bacha. It will be valued at. So my median will come. Have a look. The median will be 100.83. 100.83. Have a look. Okay. Please check. The mean of this data over here is given as 100.875 and median is coming as 100.83, right? 6 5s 6 8 are 48, carries 2, 20, 6 3s are 18, again 2, so 8333, like will come 100.83 only. Let's move on now. let's move on to bacha question number 35 or not 36, 35 or this is visible. Okay, 35 or so the monthly expenditure of on the milk is in 200 families of a housing society is given below. Find the value of x and also find the mean expenditure. We have to find this value of x. Can you find that? Of course, sir. Check this out. 24. So add this number. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 4 is 22. We have carried 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 2 17. This is 172, right? Plus x. How much is this given as? 200 families. 200. So x value is simply 28. 28 is this thing. Okay. Now we have to find bacha the mean. Okay. So again I can use the step deviation method. Okay. Looks a bigger number, that's why it'll be easier for me. So to find the step deviation method, I need to make the table. Class interval 1000 to 1500 goes all the way to 4500 to 5000. Okay. 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500 and 4500 last to 5000. Okay, the frequency is also given here. Frequency is 24, 40, 33, 28. X value is 28. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Next is what bacha? 30, 22, 16 and 7. 16 and 7. We know this sum is how much, sir? This sum is bacha simply 200. They've given it here 200. Okay, to find using the method of step deviation we need the class mark. Okay, so we'll write here xi. How much is this? 1250. Okay, 1250. Okay, what about this? 1750. What about this? Check this out. 1750 is there. For this we have 2200, 550. For this I'll have 2750. 2750. For this I'll have 3250. For this part I'll have 3750. For this part I'll have 4250. And for this part I'll have 4750. Okay, 2468. 2468. Okay, so I have to take any of the values. Let me take this as my a value. Chali 3250. Okay, this is my a value. So I'm looking for bacha now di. Xi minus a. How much is that going to be? 1250 minus 3250. So minus 2000, minus 1500, minus 1000, minus 500. I've written that 5000 there. So just give me 1 second. Minus 500, so. Okay. What about this? 0. What about this? Plus 500. What about this? 1000 and this will be bacha 1500. Okay. How can I know that, sir? Class size bacha. The class is 500, no, that's why. The difference over here also is 500. Over here also is 500. That's why I've written directly. Now what is that? UI, right? Divided by h. What is h bacha? Class size is 500. So minus 4. What about this? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Last one is FIUI. FIUI. 24 times minus 4. Minus 96. 14 to minus 3. Minus 120. 33 into 2 is minus 66. 28 into minus 1. So minus 28. Okay. 0 into 30. So 0. 22 into 1. So 22. 16 into 2. So 32. And 7 into 3. So 21. Chali. You need to find the sum of this. To find the value of sum of sigma fi ui. Sigma of fi ui. Right? Sigma fi ui we have to find out. So let's just add all these values first. Okay. What I'm getting, bacha? negative value. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is what, sir? 20. So 0. 2 is carry. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is again 21. So carry is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 310. This is negative, right? Check this out. Okay. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all looks good. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 4 plus 6 is 20. Carry is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 6 is 19 plus 2 is 21. Carry is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 310. What about this? 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 over here. And 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Check this out. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 7. Subtract this. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 7 is 4. Minus 245. Correct, na? Okay, no, that's incorrect. It will be 235, right, sir? It will be 235, bacha. Okay, 1 second. 235, sir. How come, bacha? Take this as 10 minus 5 is 5. No, this is 0 now. So 10 minus 7 will be 3, no? So 2 minus nothing is minus 235. This is value is coming as minus 235. Okay, this value is known now. FIUI. We'll apply the formula. Okay, the mean is given by we have to use not L, we have to use the value A. So let's just have a look. Okay, so you'll have to write here A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. Okay, what is we are getting, bacha? A was, how much was A? 3250. 3250 plus I have, there's a minus sign, so minus 235 divided by sigma Fi was 200, right? Into H was how much, sir? 500, right? Have a look. 200 here, minus 235 over there. I hope this is visible. Okay, so cancel this. We have 2020 gone there. Okay, I can write this as 3250 minus, multiply this, bacha. So 5 5s are 25, carry is 2. 15 plus 2 is 17, carry is 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Let's cross check once again. 5 5s are 25, carry is 2. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17, carry is 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1175 divided by 2 we have, bacha. Simple division we can do that. 3250, excuse me, 3250, yeah, 3250 minus 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. We have again 1 left. 14, 2 7s are 14 plus 5, right? 2 5s are 10, carry is 1, so 1 and 7 is 17, 2 8 is 16, and then 15, so 14. Okay, and then last one is 2 5s are 10 after decimal point. Subtract this. We have 3250 will become 10 minus 5 will be 5, carry is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. We have 4 minus 8, 14 minus 8 will become 6, bacha. We'll have what now, sir? This will be 11 minus 5, again 6, nothing is left, so 2662.5 is my value of the mean coming here for the given frequency distribution table. Have a look once again. For 200 family, for data was given for milk used, right? Milk expenditure in 200 families in a housing society. So table is, I hope this is visible. Please have a look, bacha. They were asking two values for us. X value, the missing frequency was 28. Okay, this is the sum of this FIUI coming as minus 435. Sigma Fi was already given as 200, and you can see this value here. X bar is coming as 2662.5. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Question number is, okay, 35 or was this, right? 35 or we have done. We'll move on to 36 now. Let's go. Section E, bacha. Now 4 marker, we are moving to the case study, right? So let's have a look. Question number 36. Simple problems. Miss Sheila visited a store near her house and found that the glass jars are arranged one above the other in a specific pattern. Achha, one thing I want to say for all the case study questions, don't spend too much time to read the questions over and over again. Do one thing, spend one time, little bit extra time, and learn all the questions, learn the entire thing that is to be taken from the question, but learn it, give some time to reading it. Don't, just be in rush and keep coming back and back to read the question. Read it once, that will be more than enough. Okay, so first is done. On the top layer, there are 3 jars. Okay, top layer, 3 jars. In the next layer, there are 6 jars. Okay, there's a pattern here, bacha. In the third layer, we have 9 jars. Okay, 3, 6, 9. so on till the 8th layer. Okay, means we have 3 jars, 6 jars, 9 jars, so on till 8th layer, means what is that bacha? 24, right? 24 jars. Okay, chaliye, on the basis of the above situation, answer the following question. This is the top jar, this is the bottom. Okay, write an AP whose terms represents the number of jars in different layers starting from top. This is the answer, right, for the first part. The AP 369 and dot till 24, and find the common difference. What is the common difference, bacha? The common difference is nothing but 6 minus 3, so simply sir 3, bacha. The common difference is 3. Okay, is it possible to arrange 34 jars in a layer if this pattern is continued? Okay, justify your answer. All right, means 34 jars in a layer. Chaliye, it's not possible actually, because it's not multiple of 3, but let's try. They are saying that if an is equal to, actually the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, hai na? They are saying an is 34, can be put it in any of the, the layer. Okay, so a is 3, bacha, n is we don't know, common difference is 3 na. Okay, bring it over here, we get 31 equals to, bring this over here, we get 31, n minus 1 by 3, check this out, 31 by 3 equals to n minus 1, so we get this as 31 plus 3 by 3 equals to n. How much is that? So n is equals to basically 34 by 3. Can you divide this? No, it's not a natural number. It's not a natural number. It means that we can't, bacha, we actually can't get an n value for that, and number of the layer cannot be a fraction, right? So that's why this is not possible. Okay, since n is not a positive integer, we can't say that 34 jars can be arranged in any layer, bacha. Okay, so this is part 2 answer. Let's look for part 3. Okay, part 3 will be, bacha, part 3 they have 2 options, A and B. Let's answer both of them. It's a OR question. If there are n number of rows in the layer, then find the expressions for finding the total number of jars. Okay, in terms of n, hence find S8. Okay, chaliye, so they're asking us to find Sn, right? We have the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. That's the formula. N we don't know. Okay, 2a, so 2 into 3, which is 6. Okay, plus n minus 1 times of d, which is again 3. Have a look, we can simplify this. N by 2, we get here 6 plus 3n minus 3. What do we get that, bacha? Now we can write this as n by 2. Check this out, I'm getting here 3 plus 3n. I can take 3 common, right? So I'm getting this as 3 times of n. What's left over here? N plus 1. So n plus 1 by 2 is the formula for sum of n terms. Sum of n terms in total of n layers. Okay, chaliye, total number of jars, if we have total of 8 layers. Okay, so looking for S8 value, bacha. Can you find it over here only? S8 value, have a look. So S8 will come as 3 into 8 into 9, na? 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2, right? Okay, so 2 4s are 8. We have it like this. So 3 4s are 12, 12 9s are 108, right? So 108 jars in total. 108 jars in total. 4 is 12 plus 12 into 9 is 108. Okay, this is 3 part A answer. Let's do 3 part B. What are they asking in 3 part B? Have a look. The shopkeeper added 3 jars in each layer. How many jars are there in 5th layer? Okay, so basically what we can do now, we can find the 5th layer, okay, from the top and add 3 to it, because what they're saying is in each layer, so first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, 5th layer, they are adding 3 jars, right? So I can just find the 5th layer number of jars and then what? Add 3 to it. Okay, so with the same AP, what is it? 3, 6, like that. We can find A5, no? What is A5 going to be, sir? A plus 4D. So A is what bacha? A is 3. A is 3, the first top jar is having 3, 4 into 3 is 12, so 15 in total is A5 originally, but they're adding 3 extra jars, right? It means the number of jars, okay, after adding 3 to every layer, to each layer, will become 15 plus 3 na, so 18 will become 18. This is my answer. 3 part B answer is over here, 3 part A answer is over here, 2 part answer is bacha over here, and is not a positive integer. That's why this cannot be number of jars in any given layer. And part 1 answer was here. The common difference was 3, and the AP is given as 3, 6, 9, 24. Please have a look. Okay, now question number 36 is done. Moving to question number 37. Triangle is a very popular shape used in interior designing. The picture given above shows a cabinet designed by a famous interior designer. Here the largest triangle is represented by a triangle ABC, and smallest one with shelf is represented by triangle DEF. PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. Okay, the largest is given as ABC and the smallest one is given as, okay, DEF. Chaliye. Great. So that DPQ and DEF are similar. First triangle. They given PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. What are they asking? DPQ and DEF are similar. DPQ and DEF are similar. I can solve it over here only. First part. Chaliye. Part 1. Triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. Have a look. DPQ and DEF. Angle P equals to angle E, angle Q equals to angle F. Angle P equals to angle E, angle Q equals to angle F. How come, sir? The line PQ and EF are parallel, no? So angles are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. So since angle property is valid, AA property, it means DPQ and DEF are similar. It means triangle DPQ is similar with triangle DEF. Which property is valid, sir? One second. Angle similarity. Similarity. Okay, one second, I can write this thing over here just to avoid the confusion. This part means bacha corresponding angles. Okay, this part over here means okay, not visible still. I can write this whole thing again. Give me one extra minute. Okay, so what we can write this as, angle P equals to angle E, angle P equals to angle E, and we have angle Q equals to angle F. Reason is bacha corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, since the lines are given parallel, PQ and EF are given parallel, no, for that reason. So it's going to be similarity criteria. Okay, similarity, A similarity is the condition, bacha. Chaliye. So part 1 is done. Part 2, if DP is 50 and P is 70, find PQ by EF. DP is given as 50 and P is 70. Okay, they're asking PQ by EF. Okay, and now have a look. So this was a triangle which was given to us. D P Q E F, है ना? चलिए, let's have a look. What is they have given, बच्चा? 50 and 70. DP 50, P 70. DP 50, P 70. What are they asking? This is part 2, right? What are they asking? PQ by EF, right? They're asking PQ by EF. We know that PQ by EF is nothing but going to be equal to DP by DE, है ना? Because of this, because we have proved that DPQ and DEF now similar, this property holds true. What's DP by DE, sir? 50 by sum of this, so 120. Cancel this out. What is the answer, bacha? PQ by EF is simply equals to 5 by 12. Part 2 is done. Part 3 now. Part 3, A is there. 2AB equals to 5DE. They've given 2AB equals to 5DE. Take this over here. I get AB upon DE equals to 5 by 2. Chali. Upon D equals 5 by 2. And triangle ABC and DEF are similar. Then so that this is a constant. Ratio of the perimeter will also be a constant. Okay. Then we can write this as, have a look, AB equals to 5 by 2 times of DE. 5 by 2 times of DE. Okay. They have given triangle ABC and DEF similar, right? Triangle ABC and DEF similar. So write it here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. They have given bacha. Okay. Draw a triangle here ABC. ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It means that AB to DE. It means AB to DE equals to BC to EF. BC to EF equals to AC to DF. AC to TF. है ना? And how we write बच्चा? This is 3 part A. Okay, first of all, how we write the perimeter? Check this out. How do we write perimeter, sir? So we write perimeter like this. If you remember, perimeter for triangle ABC by perimeter, same thing, perimeter of triangle DF will be given by AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC divided by DE plus EF plus D plus EF plus DF, है ना? DE plus EF plus DF. Okay. Now, once we start adding this, have a look, AB, BC, AC, right? So AB is what बच्चा 5 by 2 DE, ना? AB is 5 by 2 DE, right? Plus BC is again going to be बच्चा same thing. BC will be 5 by 2 EF because the triangles are similar, no? So ratios are proportional. 5 by 2 times of EF plus 5 by 2 times of AC divided by same thing, DE plus EF plus DF. Okay, 1 second. Not AC here. AC will be 5 by 2 times of DF, no? Will be DF here, sir. Take 5 by 2 common. What we are getting? 5 by 2. What I have here is DE plus EF plus DF divided by DE plus EF plus DF. है ना? This cancels out. What is the value coming as? 5 by 2, which is a constant. This is a constant, bachcha. Okay, so this is it. Have a look. Now the last part, if AM and DM, this is what we have to prove. Let's look at the OR case now. If AM and DN are medians of triangle ABC and DEF, AM and DN, we have to draw that. Check this out. We have to draw that, sir. AM and DN. So this is right here AM and DN, right? Okay. AM and DN are the medians of triangle ABC and DEF respectively. Then prove that ABM and DEN are similar. ABM and DEN are similar. Okay. Chaliye. 3B part. Have a look. We already have AB to DE because they are similar, no? Equals to BC to EF, right? And they've already given here as that M is the midpoint because AM is the median. I can write BC, bachcha. I can write BC as twice of BM. So I can write BC as twice of BM. And I can write EF as twice of EN. So 2 and 2 goes out. What I'm getting? Simply BM by EN. So what I have is AB by DE is equals to BM by EN. How come, sir? Because M and N are the midpoints. Okay. So I can write this BC as twice of BM and EF as twice of EN. 2 gets cancelled. This is the ratio we're getting. AB to DE and BM to EN, the ratio is equal. Also angle B equals to angle E. Angle B equals to angle E. How come, sir? Because ABC and DF is given similar. ABC and DF is given similar. Have a look. over here. They're given similar bacha. For that reason, we are getting this side, whole this side is by this side and this side by this side proportional. Also this angle equal to this angle. It means side angle side similarity holds true. Which means bacha, the triangle, what is it, ABM, triangle ABM is similar with triangle AEN, so DEN. DEN, which property is true bacha? SAS property. SAS property is true. Side angle side criteria. Side angle side criteria will be true here. Please have a look. I know a little messy, but a very good question. Okay, this part is also clear. ABM and DEN is similar. Have a look. All right, I hope this is all okay. Let's move on. Question number 38 now, the last case study bacha. So I know the session was a little longer. What can be done? It's a sample paper, it will be longer bacha. I had to explain all the questions that was there. So let's look at the last question and we'll complete the session quickly. Metallic silos are used by farmers for storing grains. Farmer Girdhar has decided to build a new metallic silo to store his harvested grains. It is in the shape of cylindrical mounted by a cone. Data is given here, cylinder mounted by a cone. The shape is given here, okay? So a dimension like this na bacha. Cylinder mounted by a cone like this, okay? Chaliye. Dimensions, excuse me, of the conical part of silos is as follows. Radius is same, 1.5 for cylinder also. Height of the cone is given as 2 meters. This is given as 2 meters bacha. The radius is same, 1.5. Dimensions for this is going to be, the height of this is given as 7 meters. Okay. And the radius is again 1.5 only. This is the radius given as 1.5 only. This is called a slant height. We have to find that value. Okay. Let's see. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. First one, calculate the slant height of the conical part. First thing itself is that. So let's solve it out. Slant height is given as L. So L is equals to, for the cone, root of r square plus h square. What is r square bacha? 1.5 the square. What is h square, sir? 2 square. 2 square. How much is that bacha? 1.5 square is going to be 2.25. 2.25 plus 2 square is, sir, 4. How much is this is going to be? 6.25. So going to be 2.5. 2.5 meters is the slant height. Option 1 is done. Okay, 2.5 meters is the slant height. Option 1 is done. Find the curved surface area of the conical part of the silo. Okay, chaliye, let's solve it over here. Part 2. So we have to find CSA of cone of the conical part bacha. The formula is given as pi RL. So will be bacha 2 times of, sorry, 22 by pi times of r is 1.5. L is how much, sir? L was 2.5, I guess. Have a look. Please check. 2.5, I guess. Okay, I can cancel this decimals with 110 here, 110 here. 25 times of this will be bacha 4. 100 is there, na? 10 into 10 is 100. So 4 simply. Okay, I can write this as 2 here. This as 11. What I'm getting, sir? 11 into 15 by 14, right? Okay, chaliye. So if you solve this, it'll be more than 11, of course. 14 by so it'll come as 11 point something. So please check this out. What I'm getting here, 15 into 11. So 15 is 561 divided by 14, right? Divided by 14 here. I can do this over here only. 14 ones are 14. I have 2 here, 25. So 14 ones are 14 again. I get this as 5 plus 4 minus 4 is 1, 11, 10. So 14 I can take with 5. 14 5s are is 70. 14 6s are is 84. Okay, 14 7s are 98, right? 14 7s are 98. Okay, check this out. So this is giving us 2 bacha and okay, 1. So 11.7, 120 will come, something like that. 11.8 or something. 11.8 something is this coming. CSA is going to be, what is the unit bacha given? Unit is given as meters. So meter square. Meter square is the CSA value 11.8 something, approximate value is given 11.8. Please have a look. So now we'll move on to question number 3. 2 is done, 11.8 is coming almost. Please check, it is approximate value. 33 has 2 parts, A and B. Options are there for 2 marker. Okay, find the cost of metal sheet used to make the curved cylindrical part. Okay, cylindrical part. Okay, so for that we'll write like this: 3A. So CS of cylinder is given by 2 pi r, and capital H height is different, sir. That's 7 given as. So we write this 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 1.5 only. H is 7. 7 and 7 cancel. Okay. What do you get here? 1.5 into 2 is 3. 3 into 22 is 66. Check this out. 1.5 into 2 is 3 into 22. 66 meters square. What are they asking, bacha? Cost. So they have given here. Per meter square cost is 2000. For this metallic sheet, they have given the per meter cost. So what is the total cost, bacha? The total cost would be given by 66 into 2000, right? So 12 carries 1, 13. 1,32,000, bacha. Okay, rupees, of course. This is the total cost given here. Check the answer. 1,32,000 rupees. Okay, chaliye. So this is clear. Let's move on with bacha next part, which is going to be part 3 is done again. 1,32,000 we got. 3B. Find the total capacity of one silo to store grains. Capacity of one silo means, bacha, to find the area of volume of the conical part and the cylindrical part together. Okay. So 3B if I'm looking for. So volume of one silo will be again cylindrical part plus conical part together. Let's find the cylindrical part first. Will be, bacha, pi r square h. R square h. So 22 by 7. What is r square, bacha? R square will be 1.5 into 1.5 into 7. Okay. So cancel this 2. What we are getting here as 22 times of 2.25. Okay. We'll get, if you solve this, you're going to get something around 49.5 meters square. Okay. Chaliye. For the conical part, let's solve this quickly now. For conical part, we'll have, bacha, 1 by 3, this is capital H, okay, forgive me, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so this will be, bacha, 1 by 3 22 by 7 into, again, 1.5 will remain same because the radius is same and height is given as 2, bacha. Okay, so if you solve this, you're going to get this as, can we cancel something? We can cancel something here. We can cancel 1.5, right? Okay, so if I do that, we're gonna get this as, check this out, 1 by 3, okay, into 22.7 into, this will again be 2.25 into 2. How much is that? Simply 4.5, right? Simply 4.5 is this, bacha. This value is 4.5 by 3, 1.5, okay. So this is going to be, bacha, simply 22 by 7 into 1.5, okay. This will come as 4.71. Okay, it's a volume, right? So meter cube. Over here also meter cube, bacha. I've written the meter square, no? This is nothing but meter cube, okay? Chaliye, give me one last second. This is meter cube. We're looking for total volume, right? So it will be sum of both the volumes. So required volume of one silo is given by 49.5 plus 4.71. How much is that? 1 is there, 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, we have 1 carry, 5 plus 49 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 is 14 and 1, 54.21 meter cube is the answer. Please check, 54.21 meter cube is the answer for this third part B. Third part B, have a look. Okay, this is clear, bacha. I hope this is clear. Have a look. Okay, so part A I've done over here. The answer is 2.5 meters. Part B I've done over here. Part 2 actually 11.8 meters square, something like that. And part 3A was 1,32,000. Okay, and part 3B is coming as 54.21 meter cube. Okay, So with this bacha, our session is complete for the sample paper number 1. I hope you had fun. It is a very engaging session. I know it was a little bit tiring as well for you as at the same time. Okay, don't worry about it. We are putting this much effort. Why? Because we have a big goal for us. Okay, we want to score a very good marks. That's why we are here, right? So please keep putting in all these efforts. You'll certainly get the results out of it. Okay. For now, I'm going to end the session, bacha, and I'll see you in the next session. Till then, you have to keep working hard. Solve this paper. If any doubt, let me know in the comment section. But solve this paper properly, okay? And likewise, you'll keep getting more and more sample papers on our platform only. So please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, okay? And join the WhatsApp channel, bacha. The link will be given in the video description. Please join the WhatsApp channel because it's going to be very, very important to get these question papers. All things will be provided and even the solutions will be given in the WhatsApp channel only. So everything will be provided in the WhatsApp channel. So please join it, okay? I'm gonna take your leave right now. See you in the next session. Till then, you have to take care of yourself, and take care. Bye bye.